Guys, imagine that. Like, even my internet company went down, so I didn't have internet connection. God damn it, whole city just went blank.
Wow. It's funny
Uh,
because you said, "Oh, my UPS just beeped," and you were still online, so I was like, "Oh, he's okay then." But
yeah.
it was not okay, was it?
Yeah, whole city just went down. Sorry, guys, we are back live. Can you check the new stream? Is it working? Nice. I
Yeah,
think
give me
it's
a sec.
working. And fucking unbelievable. Just went on the rampage, yelled on the neighbors. Oh, this is not my week. Not even close. Unbelievable.
All right. Yeah, you're back. It looks.
Oof, nice. So quick again because the last video will not be live. Quick update. We passed the 100,000 bucks on this account. Had nice session this morning on GBP. Now let me change the view. So he had a good session on GBP and went short because of the freaking triangle, and measurement was here, but I didn't respect that. I pussy myself out of that, so yep, just me. Good old Sasha. No problems there. Not
Standard.
even. Yep.
Hey, at least it was profit. Unlike my current GBP position and yours, we're
Your
in it together.
no problem. That's not problem. I have a bigger problem on my baby account. So we will
Oh
see
no.
how that how that goes. But yeah, I'm only there on GBP, so I think I can manage that. And only 0.02 lots in a deep shit, but only 0.02 lots so far. Somehow there I went out of margin much faster than here on this account. I don't know why. It's like it's not the same. Something is different. I don't know what's.
Leverage set the same or something?
Yep, 500. This is both are netting. Different is one is raw, second is standard. So that's the only difference I know. Yeah, and money. This is on Aussie dollar and this is on Singapore dollar. So that's almost the same, plus minus. That's not big difference. Um, yeah. Do you know? No.
I don't actually know. Sorry.
I
I can
think
look
it's
it up pretty
close.
easy. Hold on.
It's. I think it's close enough. So yeah, finally on the $1,000 mark, started with 790. Fucking unbelievable. But all good.
Oh wow, it's almost exactly the same. One Australian dollar is 96 Singapore cents.
I told you because
Yeah.
I see when I'm making money, it's similar. Uh, just uh, just to share another link. It's different now. Nobody's here. Can you call the guys? I mean our guys
Yeah.
on the Discord. I'm sharing the link. Thank you. Sorry, bug you
All
so
right, mate.
much. I hope I sound better again. I put the Nvidia uh, RTX voice because yesterday and the day before I just
I didn't think you sounded terribly bad, to be honest.
no, it was rain and stuff like that, and you know Fort is
Ah, in the
always
background.
complaining. Yep, yeah, I hear the
Standard for life.
rain. Yeah, I hear the rain, and it's some valuable
It's nice, isn't
information.
it?
Yeah, like you gave so much valuable information. I need to like learn, but like this rain, it's annoying and stuff like that. Well, okay, it's not perfect. I'm not streamer yet. Like we're doing this for fun. hoping it will become something or just hang out and have fun.
Volve.
Evolve, yeah. Evolve market.
Hmm. Ha! I wonder if the cable's finished dumping yet. Looks like it's pumping a bit at the moment, but I'm
Nope.
not convinced.
Do you see my blue line?
Yes, I see your blue line. It's too far. I don't like that.
Uh,
But if I look at a 4-hour chart, that actually makes quite a lot of sense.
I don't see left here, but you know that my freaking lines are pretty accurate, so I will
Is it
go much more in
2-7?
23530. I need to do another projection, as I said, but I need to find a perfect swing, and I love this swing. This swing is the best. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can you even put it on your chart? This swing, if we go down, this is the best swing. If we're going down. If we're not going down, then it's not going to work. But just to adjust it a bit. Come on. And bit here. It's not perfect. Why? Why? Hmm, still not perfect. In my book, this not good. So let me see what can I adjust. Nope. Looking on the left. See? Now it's much more sense. Come on. Yep.
Oh, wow, my cTrader just crashed. It's never happened.
What? Why?
The fuck, cTrader? How dare you?
Hello Steiny, hello Schooler. I drew them wrong. Yeah, I see something is off, but I like the swing and but it doesn't work. Maybe problem is the minutes. Maybe. This is the perfect swing for the fib. Oh, Jesus Christ. Uh,
Oh no, I just lost all of my charts when it crashed because I hadn't saved my workspace on this hedging account.
no, 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 no.
No, not like this.
Now I didn't drew them wrong. Now it's fine. Hmm. Just need to figure out. So this is this one. Okay. So I don't have blue, only up of this. Okay. Nice. Can go back on 15 minutes again. And nice. Yep. Now, as you can see, this is the way it's supposed to be. But if we go down, that can hurt a lot. Dixie. Dixie can go higher. And I still expect to fill this gap. Nice. This is squeezing on same level as 100. Could go here. Bitcoin. I bought options on Bitcoin.
Derbit games again.
Yeah, and to be 100% honest, I bought calls and I bought puts. So like, I don't care where it goes. I only
Hedged.
need. Yep, it's not hedged. I will make money if it goes 6% anyway. up or down. If it stays there 7 more days, I'm going to lose money. So if it's stuck in this range, I will lose money. If it goes 7% anyway, I will make some money. If it goes much more, then that would be a nice sight to see. Let me check. Phew, I missed an entry. God, look at my fucking entries.
That's actually where my order was before you even drew that thing. So I'm glad that you told me about it, and I had a thing there.
Stupid. Yep.
Decent bounce off it too, hey?
Schooler, I found GBP USD projection to be less accurate. Yep, I agree with you, but it works fine. It's still tradable, as you can see. And Black Flag Marine, all city lost power. They were working on something on the other part of the city, and they fucked everything up. And like if I didn't got back electricity in like another 30 minutes, I think I would fucked up my life because I will go there like to explain some stuff. You cannot do this in the
With
middle of
his
the day.
fists.
Yep, unbelievable. Like, are we in Stone Age still, or what's wrong? My baby account doesn't look good, to be quite honest. Really shitty at the moment. This GBP, and my whole idea was to be short. And I don't know, like sometimes I should like at least respect myself a bit higher, but okay. The good news is we can make one more leg down on the RSI, this RSI, colored thingy,
Yeah,
and
I just de-risked a bit.
I cannot. I'm in bad position, man. Not even close. No, 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 no. You had better entries, obviously, than me. So
Yeah, well, I'd started scaling in on this hedging account, so 25K is a bit easier to scale into and out of than 1,000, and even your baby account.
my baby account is now. Let me show you my baby account. My baby account is catching up to the this test account, this test drive. Let's see.
Nice.
Yep, but I think I'm maybe going to wreck that baby account before it succeed.
And it's so hard to trade with that little capital, man. I don't know how you've done it. I've done it. I started with like a $200 account at one point in time, and it's just too difficult to dig yourself out of some things. Far too difficult without the capital to scale in correctly. Like you put three lots in, and then oh, that's all of your leverage gone if it goes against you a bit. You're like fuck,
Yep.
or 0.03.
I can give you my secret. 100%. You know I don't talk shit. I'm all about the numbers. So I always started scaling in on this account, MT5. And when that position is in shit, then I start scaling in the my baby account. So my baby account was always in a better spot, and it was much easier to make money because like if I made and I made money on this account on this MT5, so it was much easier for me to make money on my baby account. That was the true hardcore truth behind that. Not magic, but only like when you're in deep shit, like take a position, same position on your baby account. Like you will manage that. It's okay.
Eventually it'll turn around, maybe. do need to get myself out on my live account actually, because that thing's I entered at the same time on the cable, but not as heavy because much smaller account.
But this is not heavy, look. Do you see my position?
Yeah, yeah, I see.
That's can go
Zero
smaller than
point
that.
zero 0.02. A
Yep.
little, oh, so cute. I
It's also
reckon. So if you tripled that position at the bottom of that, you'd be out.
yeah. But you know me. I learned my lesson on Aussie dollar and like nah, I will not do crazy stuff. And I'm going on that 1% a day at least. So
Yep.
still fine. Sometimes I don't do 1%, but there's days I do 2, 3, 5. So like it's okay. Uh, and on my baby account, I don't want to get out at least 50k. I don't need that money, so if I take it out, I want to buy like at least Tesla or something. Like when I take
At
that out,
least.
yeah.
Slumming it with a Tesla. Damn it, my Euro USD long was at the bottom as well. I do this so often, Sasha. I'll scale in at the bottom of something and then it hits my 8 EMA and I'll take profits. And then I'm like, okay, sweet, we're good. Good trade. And then like maybe a half hour later, it's like screamed to the 200 EMA or something. I'm like, God damn it, you idiot.
Uh, you already forgot, but we said when it starts to pump or dump, it's going in at least threes after big retracement. So we had two for now. So expect one more, and then maybe pump at least to 21 or maybe higher, 55. Uh,
It's getting to your entry again.
ooh, nice. You didn't hear the noise behind. Hello.
No,
My baby girl just uh, came into the office.
said hi.
Yeah. Hello. Say hi, Bianca. Nice.
Too shy.
Yep.
Mine are
Yeah.
all asleep, thank God. 9:50 p.m. over here.
Nice. Well, me and my baby girl are like really in love from yesterday. Because I went on a rampage and I protect her from two boys, and like I think like she just found out that she has a biggest back behind her. Like she has a monster in the closet. Like she can just message the monster like I'm in trouble, help, and that's it.
Come kill everything near me.
Yeah, yesterday was crazy. I think I will not go to friends' birthdays parties soon. So like, well, that's not friends, but doesn't matter. Don't want to go on another rampage. I was talking to Stinky today, and he said like, "What? You didn't hurt anybody? That's new." Like, I know you very well, and like that sounds awful. Like, what is wrong? Like, not awful that it didn't hurt anybody, but problem is that people don't know how to be normal anymore. That's like we don't know how to raise our kids. Our generation sucks. Maybe not in your country, but we are like everything is looking at those 24 hours shows. How it calls
Or
uh,
reality television.
reality. Yep. So everybody's looking at that and like screaming at each other, no respect. Like everybody's having own opinion and doesn't know his like his place or her place in the world. And I was like, okay, I don't want to be near this kind of people. Like, no. The statistic in my country, people work for 400, 500 bucks. 500 bucks, they're happy. And well, that's one of the problem. I think everybody's mad just drinks too much, doesn't try to make your life easier, better. Whenever I try something, people like, no, that's not for us. It doesn't make sense. Never normal in our country. Like, yeah, people, it's internet age. Like, do something else, try something else, learn. Like, try. It's possible. Don't.
Try trading. It'll relax you. It's so
Yeah.
calming trading, isn't it, Sasha?
For me, yeah. When I lose 3 cents, then I toss stuff around.
Yeah, sure.
No, it's not a problem about trading. That doesn't have to be trading, man. I was working on website and programming stuff like 7 years ago, 8 years ago. Like, do whatever. Like, sing. I don't know. Do basketball. Go fishing live. Do something. Doesn't have to
I like
be
to watch
stuff like,
strippers. Does that count?
yep. Like, there's beautiful women out there. Hey, Razor. Nice. Thanks. Uh, doesn't matter what you like. Follow your dream. It's like, no, it's too late for me. It's not too late. Like, you didn't even try. Like, they try a day for a day and like, oh no, I cannot do this. It's too hard. It's not possible. I'm too old or stuff like that. Unbelievable. And then they like come and talk to me and just like complain about stuff. And it's easy for you, man. You succeed. You're finished with the work. Yeah, I went through hell to get this far, and like, you were all drinking and having fun when I was sitting in my office working 16 hours a day.
Going to barbecues.
Yep. Yeah, yeah, people like here, yeah. 7 days barbecues. I'm the freaking, not you, you're also working all day. But I don't have to work 16 hours a day, and I'm still 16 hours a day at my PC. Like, and then people complain. Unbelievable. Um
This is not a good candle on the cable.
It's perfect for dumping. Why?
It's not a good candle for me.
For us, you mean? Jesus, I think I'm going to like lose this baby account today, maybe, or I'm going to make like 30%. Something will happen. Unbelievable. Well,
Every day razor sharp. Wow, mate. I'd love to see you. You'd just be sore all the time, wouldn't you? Come fight me. I went to jiu-jitsu twice this week, mate.
Ooh, Black Flag Marine. So you're like a year older for me. That's great. Uh, Trading is great. Like, last year, I didn't expect. Like, I was working for some firm and like made some good software that like uh, made me and gave me the chance to retire. So like, officially, I am retired, but I am the crazy one. Like, I tried to be retired for a month, and this other dude on the voice just asked me on my baby birthday like how I'm doing, and he pushed me again like to find a purpose, and here we are. A few months later, like, uh I was, how much I didn't only work like maybe 20 days, 30 days in December, and to 5th of January, then you pushed me again to new projects, and like, here we are. That's
Sorry
it.
about that.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Well, you're going to say sorry to my wife. I don't have, well, maybe not even to her. Like, she's waiting for a new car, so I think she will be okay with me working again. Not working. This is not work. This is playing games and making fun.
When we win, it's fun.
For me, it's always fun. I don't love losing. That's a given. But to be honest, I play a chess really good. Not often anymore. But only way for you to learn new stuff from chess is to lose. When you're winning, you're using moves you already know. When you're losing, somebody is doing something you didn't know, so like you're evolving to certain level. So maybe it's same for trading. If I wasn't losing on Aussie dollar 2 weeks ago, maybe I wouldn't change a bit. So it's nice. I disable from a car accident. Ooh, disable from a car accident. Got to make a living somehow. Ooh, man, that's really sucks to hear. Sorry, I didn't know. Well, trading is good, but there is a real and big risk. But if you accept it and like evolve to certain level, that's I cannot think about a better game, job, or whatever you call trading. Doesn't matter. It's all same to me.
I agree. Any job where you work for yourself is cool, in my opinion. And this is literally spending your money to make more money.
Yep. And I promise you, uh, uh, my wife wanna make a book about my life. And if
That'd be a
people,
good book, man. Your
yeah,
stories have been phenomenal so far. I think if you put that into a book, it'd be awesome.
if people would know with amount of money in trading how much I started for real, I have proof of that. So everything is recorded here and like real accounts. I have numbers, still didn't delete anything. So there's dates. Like like I think I would or like expire the new generation of traders or like people would start doubting like what they're doing and you like people think you need 20, 30, 50k to start like we were making BitMEX bot with I will say like a really shitty budget. That's the only thing I'm going to say. Like you cannot even imagine how shitty budget was, and we still pulled it off eventually. Well, sorry, went differently. I went to Swiss and like evolved there, but the real thing is I started small, terrible, but made 20x last year. So whatever amount of money, 20x is a lot.
Oh, but Cable,
62, 72k last year. Jesus Christ. Sir, please, on what platform you trade again? I wasn't having internet connection. If you're anti-fi, please go on our Discord. God damn it. Jeeves, can you share the link of Discord on the...
give me
If you
one
have...
sec. I'm just trying to get out of this trade.
No, you cannot share it anyway, so I have to do it. I need to make you mods. I don't know how to do that, to be honest. Uh, Go now Discord, and if you're considering using MT5 or something like that, I want to 72k USD. Jesus Christ. Not what kind of money, but trading platform. What you're using about you said trade weight or something like that. Think or swim. Like if you're on MT5 or something like that, maybe we can help you. Like I really want to help you, like give you some indicators or some insights. That really sucks. Yeah, you should learn like 72K. Jesus Christ, that's two houses in my country. My house like is 150 meters square and it was 35K. That's unbelievable. Jesus Christ. Like, oof. Like I started sweating like a pig when I saw the numbers. And you're still here, like you're really strong mentally. That's a good sign for trading. But oof, Jeebus, 72K, is that enough for you to day trade full time?
Um, not full time. I could do a part-time job and trade part-time as, which is basically what I'm thinking about doing now.
Are you fucking kidding me? If I'm going to buy a plane ticket and come there like to wrestle with you. You're fucking with me,
Okay.
72K on 1% a day. How much that is a month? Just you will make
Five
more.
times that's 20 times 1%. So what is that? 7K. 7K times 20.
No, it's not 7K. 720 bucks.
Oh, seven. Yeah, 700.
Yeah,
Sorry.
so it's 14, 15K. That's more than you make on your job, I suspect. Like that's a lot. Fuck that. Trade Station Toss and IG. Sorry, man, I don't have anything for that. Maybe in future, I have people from US and Australia. So if they open account, my team can work on some indicators and maybe some algos. So maybe in future, but for now we are sticking only to MT5 and cTrader. I need access, and they don't accept me. Nobody accept us. Like even Binance once like uh, ban us like for a year, and I lost 2K there. Unbelievable. They didn't give me my crypto back. Nice. And everybody is telling me in this creation crew like come to Binance again, and well,
No.
no, that's 2K. That's a lot. Fuck, it went to my entry and nothing there. No, god
I told
damn
you.
it.
I told you I couldn't share the link because I was trying to get out of this position. I'm out now. It's nice. Feels comfortable. I can breathe again.
No. What you're watching here, on this 5 minute candle, I had ordered on top of that, on freaking top, and me, man, me and my positions, like, I need to front run myself. That's unbelievable.
Hello?
Oh,
Hello?
Razor, what's up?
Hey,
If it isn't the
hello,
strong
sirs.
man, when are we gonna
I
fight?
S&P 500 long is doing good.
Oh yeah, trading indices
Oh,
again, hey?
I hope you guys like that.
I'm going to kick your ass, man. You're crazy, 100%.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay. Do you? Do you now?
It's
Teach
Friday,
me.
so he know that we're going to pump.
It's Friday. He knows what he's doing today.
Yeah. No, I'm killing S&P, so easy game.
Oh yeah, killed it like it killed your account last time you traded it?
Oh, well, that wasn't S&P. That was
Oh,
overscaling or too fast scaling in.
of the S&P.
I
No, no,
just
no. That was
shorted
I was
S&P. I just shorted S&P.
I got my profit target at 31.51.
3080. 3080 is now my average, and I started that position way back. 5x.
Yeah, I know. So you saw my screenshot last night, right, Sasha? S&P.
I didn't look S&P because you shouldn't trade S&P, and I don't. I wasn't myself last night. I was very mad, and I didn't want to fight with you. So like, do whatever you want. I'm telling you, don't do that with your account. Maybe on MT5 because it's much cheaper. But I think you're not ready for the indices on cTrader. But you can do whatever you want. That's only my opinion. Like I cannot force you and talk
Please, Sasha,
shit.
he's a professional.
I
Okay.
know everything is fine there, but still amount of risking doesn't match. So
Yeah, I know.
man, for you to get into position, you already need one contract. My S&P 500 is only 0.7 volume for now, so it's still not one contract. You know what I mean? That's a lot. But hey, whatever makes you happy, man.
Once my roll is 2K and I have one contract, then it's okay. So a
No,
couple of weeks.
still it's a lot. S&P 500, no, it's not a problem, but US Tech or NAS 100, it's a lot.
That's bigger, yeah. The US 500 with the 2K account is okay, I guess.
Yeah, but
Easy.
you can even trade the NAS 100 on the cTrader, on the MT5,
MT5, yeah.
scalping fib projections. So like with tight stop loss and just trying to catch small moves, but that's that. Why is Dixie is not closing this gap at all? This 97.67, unbelievable. For days now.
Yeah, I was surprised too.
Hey, this looks good, man.
Oh, US 500 is a good short. You were right.
No, look. Do I streaming this Dixie now? Dixie. Yep. Can you see?
Yeah.
This looks like maybe gaining this level, but if you lose this and lose to 200, like that's it. That's it for Dixie. It will not hold again. Fuck.
It'll be whistling Dixie.
It can still test 97, but I think it's going higher first.
Down.
Fuck! I only had time to put one lot on. Damn it!
It's going higher, so don't be mad at yourself.
I won't. I'll be mad at Razor.
Yep. Same here. Everything's
It
fine.
can go higher. It just needs to go
Everything's
to
fine.
the 8 EMA first.
Can get in for long. These only go up, so just
Stonks. Buy them.
So you're in the Davy crew. Oh, nice. Stonks only go up. Yep. And imagine when I make...
I'm a real trader. Stonks go up.
My Aussie dollar long.
Looks decent at the moment. I would probably be taking profits soon though.
So you're using... I see what you're doing. You're using expert market edge indicator, yeah? That is why you took along on Aussie dollar, yep. And that's why you took along on the S&P 500. See how fast I catch up. So
I'm
Busted.
only trying the expert market edge on the US 500. Okay, and then I look at the 15-minute. So then there's a long from last long is 31.14, but then I wasn't awake, so I got in at 31.22. And then when you look on the 5-minute, just for the local trend. I'm not looking too much at the RSI. I'm looking at.
I didn't said RSI. I said expert market edge. I know my
No, but
indicators.
I mean in combination with the RSI,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. That's the way to use it. So
Yeah. When you look at the 15-minute on the US 500, on RSI at the 31.22, then there's a dip and then there's red, and that was a good entry. So that's where I got in and took a profit at
just to show people
31.35, and I'm going to 31.50.
what you're doing, just to show people what you're doing there, just to make them understand. So US 500 chart. What time frame you did that? What your time frame you're using? 15 minutes.
15.
Expert market edge attached to chart. Yep. Ooh, nice.
Then on the 15-minute, I couldn't get into the 31.14, but I got into the 31.22.
Okay, nice. That's 1%, man. On 15 minutes. Fucking unbelievable.
And then I have the colored RSI.
Yep. My
The
indicator
colored
sucks. I know. They don't work. They lag.
when it's choppy, is the 15? Yeah, when it's choppy, like in the middle there, when you have all those arrows up and down, then I use the 5-minute to help me out a little, to zoom in. But I did a lot of trades up and down, like you saw yesterday.
Sorry, I just de-risked a bit. Maybe you heard on my
Oh, I didn't
cTrader.
hear it.
That's RTX, so maybe you
Holy
don't hear.
shit! Have a look. Euro USD on 5-minute.
Euro USD.
Yeah.
It's
Jesus, what? What?
Fucking take a shit, mate. Take a shit.
it's the ad there.
Okay.
Okay, computer.
Aussie dollar just shorted and it was RSI.
Yeah, I shorted that
So
and got out pretty quick.
no, this
I'm
was
thinking of
RSI
shorting it
itself.
again.
So thank you RSI. Thanks for that. I like my bots. Nice bots. Nice. Thanks.
Good bot.
And I'm looking. Maybe Brian Scalper would want to close position too early, so I need to stop it for now.
Only we were bots, huh? We there.
If only. Instead, we're stupid humans, only capable of clicking one button at a time.
Yeah, Schooler, we were longing GPUSD, so
That's done now.
yep. Next trade, next trade.
GG. I'm still looking at shorting.
And I finally
GG.
broke Razer. I finally broke this $1,000. Fucking unbelievable.
Nice.
Whole week, unbelievable. Like,
I see. Yeah. That's good.
like stuck there, and I was $1 away, and then I accidentally click a button on this position, and Instantly
yeah.
lost 20 bucks plus. Stupid of me, but it happens. Only Sasha. Nothing too
But
crazy
where are you
there.
gonna add to the short on?
Not only Sasha.
But I'm going to add short.
What's your next add on the US 500? 31.55 then, or higher? 32, right?
Just a second. What the fuck? So it's 3,149. 3,149. Basically,
That's where it is now.
a bit higher.
Almost, yeah. I got my
It's,
T at 51. 51.
yeah, I've started shorting. Well, I've shorted it twice now and I've taken profit twice. Wait till it pumps again. Short again. Take profit again. It's magic.
I'm both. I'm a counter trend trader and a with trend.
Yeah, you have a sex indicator now. You can call yourself trend trader, no problem.
Yeah.
Look, that's 15
Boys.
minutes.
I
Look,
decide
Razor.
how I trade, right? So,
Razor. Look. This 15-minute long was 4.66% before it turned to short. Fucking
long I'm in
crazy.
right now could also be something like that.
Oh, sorry, we're going to 4K. Yeah, 4K today.
Lol. Why not
I
over
got
9,000? Why limit yourself like that?
I got 30. I'm eyeing 31.95, but I won't have only have one lot, so
How can you scale in with one lot? Oh, you mean scaling out.
I'm scaling with two. And then the
Gotcha.
first one I take pretty quick, and then I put the stop loss in profit or break even. So the other one run, and then I decide what point I'm getting out.
If I didn't start de-risking that cable trade, that would have been a really big fucking winner. As it is, it was still a winner, but
Short.
it wasn't a really big one. No,
Uh,
long. So I had started longing from basically where it is here, but on the way down, obviously, and I'd averaged into like 27370. But I was concerned it was going to go for a third leg down, so I started taking some of my top positions off when the lower positions were in profit to de-risk it. But yeah, that apparently was a mistake because it just pumped through the 21, which is where I took profit. Oh well.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah.
but you're right. I expected third swing, same as you here, so.
Yeah, it's still a winner, so I can't bitch too much.
Well, I'm chasing.
You're feeling better, Jeebus?
A bit better, still sick, but good enough to trade, I guess.
You trade better when you're like half sick or something.
No,
Oh,
I
look at
traded
the Aussie.
terribly.
Yeah, because then you're more a robot.
Look at freaking Aussie. Unbelievable.
Aussie pumpers. There's
Do you see
news
the
in
Euro
10 minutes, by
USD?
the way.
It's
Yeah, I said that like 5-10
No,
minutes
but it's
ago,
pumping
maybe.
now. That's what I said. They dumped it to get an
Oh,
entry.
okay,
But
yeah.
Ooh, you didn't heard that. Even GBP pumped it. I made money. Woo, let's go. My baby account didn't die. Even made money. Woo, let's go.
GBP is also pumping.
So that
10
means
minutes
then
till
Dixie
news.
is dumping, no? Yep, Dixie is dumping hard. Bye bye, Dixie. Nice to know you.
Nice.
So sorry. I need to find out something. And where is something? Aussie dollar. Too many accounts.
I'm out of my S&P here.
Fucking 5 accounts. I need to.
Good idea, Jeeves.
Six
You can
nine six
go a
nine
little
one
lower,
thirty
but
four 6969 133 133. Okay, so that's it. Nice. GBP can moon, but something is bad with them. I don't know why. What? Uh,
I'm
but
starting my Aussie dollar short from here.
me too.
if you're
Drink
that
coffee, trade.
confident, I'm going to click also. Fuck.
Drink
You
coffee,
know,
trade. And
always
fuck.
do your own TA, Sasha. Don't do it. Don't FOMO in because we say. You're probably
Ooh,
gonna lose.
cool. Jib's making more percentage than me daily, so like, why not? Just
The
kidding,
new
guys.
indicator.
I haven't the last 2 days because I've been sick, but you already started your
Please
scaling. Your
don't.
RSI bot did it for you, didn't it?
Yep. The first one, it was this again is not default settings, so it's already
Okay.
is higher than it should be, but it can reap like that's fine.
RSI bot is in a
What's
short.
what hap what what
JPY long. Okay.
what?
What's wrong?
I have one more contract than I should have. See?
Is it in profit?
No. Aussie dollar. I have three, and it should have two. See?
No, I can't see. It's on
Sorry.
trading me.
Yes.
Bust these highs, Aussie dollar, and then just fucking tank it.
I need to de-risk one position because I didn't want that. It should be two, not fucking three.
Tell
So
it, Sasha.
so chat. Do anybody has any questions? Maybe we can do something also, not only
I'm gonna
bitching.
get some starch. I'll be right back.
Okay. Ooh, let me see. Expert market edge, chart. Ooh, did you long this razor? Razor? He's dead. Just kidding. God damn it.
And then yeah, I already got out of my small long. Now I'm just getting in short.
Nice.
Aussie dollar.
Nice. Yep. If you only blind traded this, it's great.
You mean blind?
Blindly traded.
Oh, you mean the indicator?
Indicator, yep. So if you only blindly traded, you're in the great position. Profit even on freaking 5 minutes. How is it looking on 15?
15 is
Nice.
better.
Yep, and this was easy. Profit taking on the 200. That's
Then the choppy zones, the sideways action, the or distribution areas, you just wait, and then when the breakout comes, then you get in.
so this was easy, and I wasn't there. God damn it! Doesn't matter. Come on, change to red. God, fucking unbelievable. Here's the CAD. Soon, maybe long. Aussie dollar. De-risk it a bit. Nice. Let me de-risk one more.
Have
One
any
more.
idea on these Fridays, our time, Sasha, when volatility slows down?
Well, news is incoming, as you can see on my blue line here. So it's a Fed chair again. Powell's speech, fucking unbelievable.
In a couple of hours, right?
That man is not like. Is his job to be on television or what? Doesn't matter. So he will have some speech, and after that, I expect U.S. market open, then some volatility changing, smaller volatility, something like that. We'll see.
But when does it die down normally on a Friday or time?
Uh,
2 o'clock in the
always,
evening or?
always after opening, like 45 minutes after open, it just slows down, and then
Friday's usually a massive shit shoot.
Yeah, so
and then on the close, last hours on the close, you get volatility. So
yeah, because
so
people be
Jeebus,
risking.
I de-risked a bit and already made my percent for today. I de-risked Aussie dollar a bit, as you can see. I didn't want to wait down because something was off there. So I'm leaving.
Champion.
I will turn on the bot again soon. Come on. Dump it so I can turn on the bot. Please. Dun, 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 dun.
Please, sir. News in like 3 minutes, I think, as well.
I want to show you something. I left one runner yesterday from my long. See, I had some small balls. See, no, you're looking where you should look. So this was my long,
Oh,
and
nice.
and I left it like I will not move my long. God damn it! Like it's time for it to go up, and it was really nice. And then I started shorting here on my baby account, and it went higher, and I was like, well, you should like stay in your long. But after these three candles, I was like, okay, this is fine. Like cable
This
is
fine.
yep, cable lost balls. So it's going down.
Nice. That's really nice. Canadian dollar news now. If anyone trades.
Canadian dollar, okay.
CAD.
I have USD CAD, so why I don't have that on my chart?
He trades that, right?
Simple calendar events. It's CAD, yes.
Maybe it's not important enough for you.
Yep, it is. Retail see?
Oh,
Yep,
cool. It did show up. Awesome.
Nice. So guys, if somebody is on the MT5, like this simple news calendar, this RSI with alarm or stuff like that, like join our Discord. I will get you these indicators for free, or this tank show profits. That's like it will ease your trading, but it's I'm using it because I need it on MT5. You have how much you made, but it's not. It doesn't show me. I have to go to history and like check for everything. With this indicator, it says for that pair how many lots you traded today, daily PNL, and on that position. So as you can see here, and it's really nice. Same for the news if you need that. And
Everybody pump.
yep, and
USD
this
is going fucking crazy.
Jesus, fuck.
That's bigger than that massive spike down, right?
I need to see my RSI. It's going too long, 27. Maybe that's not good
USD is
idea.
losing.
Let's put there 22. So please long 22 if it's not problem.
I'm gonna start shorting AUD again.
AUD.
Oh no, I'm not. It's not far enough. Need a bit more.
Yep. You see, I have order. And if you had a bot on 1 minute, you will get. You don't. Okay, it's not MT5. Look, you already be in profit. You could even close it, but well,
Goes up, must come down.
Must come down.
5 hours later. So if you have erection, 5 hours, go to doctor.
Wow, USD CAD got their month-on-month sales and fucking spiked and then just dumped it. They're like, oh, good work, guys. Fucking dump it. Nice sales, bro.
The good one, Sasha.
Yeah, but you said everything is goes up.
Or, no,
If it
what comes
doesn't
up
go
must come,
down,
must come
yeah.
down.
Well, if it doesn't come down, like go to doctor. It's not good. Ah,
Now that's a fucking pump. Euro USD, Candle of Destiny.
1.14%. I remember 3% a day here. God damn it. So okay, I can manage
Oh,
that.
look at that.
Hmm. Why are you not in your long still? God damn it. You Razer. You would make
What long?
on Euro
Aussie.
USD. Euro USD.
Yeah.
You would make
Got
good
out.
money. But this was the level. Why did you even get out from there? Look, this swing wasn't tested. Why did you get out
Because
from your?
when they did the dump down, I knew there was a fill too long, so I FOMO'd in just one, and then
Oh,
I
okay,
didn't look.
okay,
I
okay,
haven't looked at
okay.
the chart. I just look at the chart. And I was like, okay,
He
this
just
is enough. I get
FOMO'd.
out right here.
Yep.
Yeah, it was a
I
great FOMO.
yeah. For one, yeah, I agree because
But
you should
normally
take
I take
profit
two
here.
when I do TA. I take two, and then yeah,
Yep.
got
I agree with
levels and
that.
shit.
Shit.
Levels and shit.
Shit.
All that
Yep.
stuff.
All that stuff.
Fucking whatever.
Ooh,
Whatever. I
ooh,
just.
ooh. GBP, did you short that? What's your indicator made? On what
Not
settings? GBS on the cTrader. It's looking good for short.
Oh, yeah. Shit, look where it is too. Like physically where it is on
Yep,
that
yep.
level too.
And I'm already late. God damn it!
FOMO. Just click.
Yeah, and like risk much more. It's already too late. Fuck.
Okay,
Yeah, I agree. I missed it as well. Too
believe
busy
it.
watching this AED.
That's Razor's fault. If I lose money,
Fuck
it's
Razor.
Yeah.
if I win, that's because of my skills.
My
Yeah.
good TA.
Learning, Sasha. Quick learner.
Yep, always was.
Still.
And I'm the fast loser. When I go to bad position, I can lose the count, no problem. Just kidding.
Easy loss. Easy
Easy.
loss.
Well, I'm still rocking this account, and it's just going up. Even if I close this, we are still looking good, great, even in profit, much better than.
Nah, you need to get it above 1066 if you're gonna close that at the moment. So you're still
Yep,
above 1,000.
yep. Schooler, GBP, this. I
Oh yeah,
didn't
I'm gonna
had
short that fucker.
I didn't
It's
have
back,
a
it's back.
balls.
Short it,
Ooh,
short it.
fuck. I cannot
Sell, you
short on
piece
this
of
again.
shit.
God damn it! Just wait. No.
It's funny
Ninja
that
sound.
I just ask, is there any action on Fridays, and then 2 minutes later, everything pops off.
I'm short as you on on cable, on cTrader, my baby account, and maybe I should like short more because like I have too many accounts. God damn it.
Yeah,
Aussie
I got
dollar is
another one
not.
at 200 EMA. I'm out of my Aussie dollar short, but I'll jump back in when it gets a bit higher, I think.
Yeah, I need to put resting order. I cannot manage 5 accounts same time. Scalping, that's Something I need to
Yeah, I
work
don't
on.
know how you did that, man. I got two, and I'm like, whoa, which way am I looking?
Well, if I put all money on stream, like people will look for me. This way, I'm poor and like nobody cares. Like I'm trading with $1,000. Uh, this Aussie dollar. Ooh. You didn't hear the ninja sound. I pushed myself out of this position.
I killed mine too, but I want it up a bit more, and I'll short it again.
Yep,
No
200.
problems.
Agree with you 100% there. Come on, higher. Come on, pussy. Here, pussy. Come on. Ooh, that's 200 on 5 minutes. I will leave that to 21 if it goes there. I will not pussy myself. I made the order, so let us see. GBP, come on. Maybe even short here. No, I'm already short on this one. I think Aussie dollar will not give you second chance.
So be it.
No.
Pairs to
Just
short.
looking. If it closes
Mm.
like this in 2 minutes, there is no second chance. We are making on the bot um, a new indicator that we're going to look constantly counting wicks to the upside and downside, so it can automatically choose if it closes like this is really good opportunity to short because it's obvious rejection, so I don't have to look on 5 pairs same time, 7 pairs, so and it can manage my accounts. We're working on that, and we did something today. We made EMA predictions but still on testing phase, so we just leave the eye learning, so we'll see after the weekend. But I think I will need to buy a better PC because it need a stronger CPU. I cannot make it on GPU to calculate. I don't know how. I know GPU is faster in calculation, but I don't know how to do that. Maybe find somebody that knows blockchain or something like that.
I don't think that's going to help speed up calculations at all.
GPU should be faster, no?
Not on blockchain.
Yep.
So you can use OpenCL to do that, to calculate using the GPU. And MT5 were even talking about doing it for a while, by the way. But I don't think they ever actually. When's market open? Soonish, right?
No, in almost 1 hour, 50 minutes till market open. Schooler, I don't understand. I really thought you did trade way different. More like Mr. Lore, so fun to see you trading nevertheless. What?
Plus 2%. The goal is still 1% a day. If we get 2%, it's just better.
I need average of 1%. In 2 years, this account is Tesla at least. So that's it. Limit orders, failures, losing highs, first touches. Yes, cooler. I'm trading now everything and have some my custom made indicators and stuff like that. So I'm combining everything I know. But to be honest, I'm enjoying this clicking button from Brian Watt. You can check him on YouTube and Twitter. He's real deal. He's not somebody that's hiding behind curtain and giving himself nickname. He's a real guy and awesome trader. I didn't see him lose, and he's doing live shows every day and like killing everything. That's amazing. So Yeah, it's cooler. Like you have to find what's suited for you. I still do everything else, as you can see on my trading view. I still use fee projection, so price projection. I still use 21 and 200 is something I started with few years back. Was sucking at that, but became much better and better. And I think I should start shorting these Aussie dollars like really soon. Because even this RSI, it's custom made for some professional trader who asked me to make him. And I didn't change settings, so it's something he asked for specifically to be like that. And as you can see on the real extremes, it calls good the tops and bottoms. And with this strategy where we're scaling in and out, I can do some good damage and make some good money. And for me, it's become just playing game and click a button. And making 1-2% a day was really hard. I had to do some crazy stuff and some crazy math and like well, let me just show you. Maybe you will understand better. So I started this account. It's not even a month still. And if you look, it's all blue. You see? That's winning. I had one losing trade on the 89, then one losing trade here. So I have few losing trade, but I have awesome. And to be quite honest, it's awesome to win. I know it's scalps, but remember the days when 1% was crazy? What?
Yeah, I definitely grew up in a world, in a trading environment anyway, where everyone was saying if you make 1% a week, you're an amazing trader. But yeah,
Yeah.
my perspective shifted somewhat.
So like we're doing this how much? Already 4 weeks. We first did it on Zoom, just our team, let's say like that, and had a real good time, like having fun, making jokes and making money. So we were like, let's just do this on YouTube. Maybe we will have more people in and enjoy trading. It's not that hard. It is hard, but it doesn't have to be boring and like looking on chart every day. You can click button and make a percent a day. I can make easy. I know I'm losing this like big position, but that wasn't this style. This is my own idea that US 500 is going soon to dump hard. So I'm trying to scale into this position to even 2.5 lots. So it's still really small. And if I'm right, this trade will not be closed soon. I will scale in and out, scale in and out. I will do some different math and different style. It's not same like this. But if I'm only going small, as you can see in my history, 1% a day is easy. And as I said, uh, through our history and learning, 1-2% was like, no, that's not possible. You can do your compounding and like see in 2 years, whatever amount you start, you made a great amount of money. What's up, Steiny?
Tempted to short Euro USD here. Looks like it's rolling over.
Uh, tested this swing. As I told you, I will not give you advice on Euro USD because I suck on Euro USD. I don't trade it properly. Um, Consolidation on the top. Australian dollar is dumping, god damn it. I knew I should. What you're looking on MT5? Can you see again my entry? God damn it. My re-adding juice.
Yeah.
I need to start front running myself. This sucks. No, fuck me. I did that order for a reason. Just remembered. God damn it.
Because we wanted it higher.
No. RSI shorted that. And for a reason I put re-add here because it should be there as stop loss. And I told you, I did the calculation. It lost the most time this year, whole this year, 6 times in a loss. So if I re-add 6 times and not put stop loss, I did the calculation, I would not lose. So on 15 minute, this is 6 months, even March, it didn't lose at all. So I put there because there should be a stop loss. 6 9 1 3 4 6 9 1 3 4 6 9 6 9 3 4 3 5. Yeah, so there's stop loss, and I know it can go much higher, as I told you, like 6 scaling in like this, but with our style, that shit is easy. I will not lose that position, not even in my dream with this account. Tiny nice. You should ask Steiny Razer. He has the indicator, so even indicator called on even on 50 minutes, 10-minute calls along, 5-minute calls along. So the 5-minute was the best. If you took this long on 5-minute and you put the stop loss here, like this was nice.
GG.
Yeah, it's a fortune for the indicator sign, you know.
Yeah, you'll never be able to afford it.
If
It's
you
just
give me
too
a
expensive.
if you give me your fortune, like Steiny, I made more money on that indicator than I made on the institutional level bot. If you can believe that, that's insane. I think maybe it's because it was quant firms indicators, so like it's not on the normal market.
Hey guys,
Ooh, 40, what's up? What's
G'day,
up?
40.
good day, mates.
That's pretty good, man. Well done. I'd pay that.
Nice short there, right on the hop. Or was that a take profit? No, profit? Not sure.
Steiny, I have a bot for that. That's 30k bot. You already saw that. With moving stop loss, with few profit targets. I think even I have a video of that. Yeah, I have a video of that. You know, Steiny? The one that shows do indicators really work on my YouTube
No,
channel.
obviously.
I also watched Brian yesterday. Very interesting that he was using Candler channel. Yep. So that that video you saw on the Bitcoin and maybe NAS100, I don't remember. That is that bot on this indicator, and not only that, this indicator RSI 21, moving stop loss and profit targets on the levels itself. As you can see on the video, everything was on the levels. So it's fine. Just kidding. But for me, it's really different. I leave this to bot and it's trading. I want to show you how it's trading gold as we speak. Called RSI. Yes. Look at 1 hour. Market edge. So I had
You made a
short.
fuck ton of money on this at some point, didn't you?
Yep, I will show you where. Here. On this short, I made $1,000 on two or one profit target. Two, I think two. Don't remember now. I should look on MT5. So this short was crazy, and I got stopped out here, and so I didn't have this long because I got stopped out here, and I fucking had this long. So gold killed it, and it reshorted here and took profit, and got stopped out here, and again shorted here. God damn it! So my gold is killing. I don't know. Maybe it's time for me to just kill that pair because it made too many winners this
It's
month.
too much money. Too much money for one man to handle.
No, because of that, winning percentage was not normal because it didn't lost. I think only one. So it doesn't make sense. Like I think the next, like because of winning percentage, it should lose like 2-3 times in a row now. But if market continues to trending and have a big volatility, it's going to continue making money. In the beginning, I didn't know what lots were. Well, that's okay.
Weren't we all there?
On cTrader you have in dollars. There's not in lots. Yeah, for me it's in the
You
volume.
can have it in either.
I like it this way. I see like 300k position. Like I was like, woo, nice,
same.
man.
The first time I hit 300k, I was like, holy fuck, that is way too much fucking money. Which idiot is giving me that much money?
Yep, agree with you.
What is so my demo hedged account, the one I'm playing with now, just ticked over to a million trade.
Jesus Christ.
And my cTrader, my baby account, where the fuck is that?
I'm 500,000 on my baby account on cTrader. Almost 500,000 already. So traded crazy. And that's baby account. So
So my baby account is 1.7 million US dollar traded.
okay.
Oh shit.
Nice. Everything stopped. What happened? No, just move, bitch. Get up the way. Fucking 8 is going higher. God damn it. Fucking 8. This is fine. Simple futures. I don't know, did you saw on the Discord today, the man himself that gained 30% in 2 hours, then lost account, then now he gained everything back and made $200 loss in same week. Everything, that's crazy. And the funny thing I want to tell you is that he told me he was shorting this here 3.5 lots.
That wouldn't have turned out well for him.
And then I told him to re-add here, to take some off here, re-added here, took some off here. He managed to make good money in that trade, and then I thought like I told him leave one winner because we're going lower, because as you can see on my trading view, I had idea that we're going to this area, and we were around here, and then I thought like everything is fine. He made money, everything is cool. Like you can take rest, and now Sasha, you can trade your own account. Like you finish your help, and then he told me, okay, now I need to look on my Aussie dollar short and US 500 short, and I was like, what the fuck? How many lots and how many pairs you have like in position? What the fuck you're doing? Are you crazy? And
Was in MT5 at least?
yep, yes,
Okay, so it would have been 0.01 at least.
yeah,
Not
yeah,
full
but
indices.
still, if it had 3.56 in one moment, he had four lots on this high, something like this.
Whom you're talking about?
You know the guy, you introduced me to him.
Oh, this guy. Okay.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
your fault.
Yeah, it's your fault. Yep.
Razor.
No, it's
Sorry.
40. It's 40, yeah.
40, yeah.
Innocent
You guys sound
until
the same.
proven guilty.
Yep, and I know he will be, if he wins money, everything is fine, but when he loses again, he will be like, stupid bot. It was a bot's fault. I took like 10 lots position, god damn it. Doesn't matter, but
I
yeah.
feel like I could save him a lot of time and effort if I just said to him, hey man, give me all your money and I'll just go to a roulette table. You can pick a color and
Yeah.
we'll just put it all in that color, mate. If you win, just walk away. If you lose, oh well, stupid bot.
You remember the stupid bot. You remember I even sent you the video from YouTube from
Yeah.
our country, like sell the house, go to casino,
Oh
like
yeah, shit.
put
Yeah, I
all on
remember
red.
that.
Like we fucked ourselves up. God damn it. So this is the same. Like what? Unbelievable.
Fucking
But
totally pussy
but
imagine me.
imagine me, like I'm helping my team today with the bot, and he was like, I did a bad thing, like I'm 3.5 lots in a position. I was like, God damn it, that's too much. Like on your account, that will not work. God damn it, like if it goes against you, you're screwed. That's it. And I was watching it. It was before the news. And I was like, news incoming, so like it will pump or dump like hard, so like you will lose account, or maybe if you're lucky. But imagine me like, okay, now take some off, put some in, take some off, put some in, and after this, and I was like, okay, he told me like he closed position, he cannot do that anymore, and like, okay, now everything is fine, Sasha, go trade your own account here. And then he told me like, okay, now it's my my turn to just check on my Aussie dollar and US 500 short, and I was like, God damn it, like how much did you like? Do you have more pairs, or what are you doing? God damn it, that's.
You need to disable his bot. That's what you need to do. Just fucking turn it off and be like, oh, bot's broken. Sorry, stupid bot.
But yeah.
Maybe something that it only runs on one chart.
Yeah, single pair. Tell me what pair you want to trade
And
this.
that it does not run on US 500 or any indices.
On 85 it's not a problem, because if it starts scaling in with 0.1 on his account, he will not lose. That's not a problem at all. But I think,
And
yeah.
the lot where you enter the lot size, make that a fixed
Yeah,
input that you
I-
cannot
that
change
that that I need to change. But you know him too well. He was like, I need this custom made, so I need to change these numbers. I know it will work if I change the numbers every
Yeah,
time.
custom rates are different, and you want custom, you pay.
Nah, we're good. Ah, god damn it. But this was fun. I was just clicking, click, 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 click. It was crazy. Nice.
When hedge fund.
Still
Just tell
working
him,
on that.
tell
Still.
him, tell him to give his money to us, and we'll just fucking trade it. Because you do that anyway, Sasha.
I know, but still working on that, how to manage everything. But I think
Pretty
soon.
sure we just need to move to the Bahamas and
No,
just
it's
fucking trade.
already fine that it's possible in my country. I
No, I
should
want to
do
move to
here.
the Bahamas.
That's okay. We can do there also. No
You
problem.
don't want those hurricanes.
I don't give a fuck. Australian mate, the whole country is trying to kill me at every point in time.
No, it's tiny. I had so much offers last year and a half that like I could already open a hedge fund and trade. Like I have few guys waiting with a million aside this moment, and I had new guys from the crypto with 2 millions waiting aside. So like tomorrow I can open something 5 million to start, and that's enough. So, but to be honest, people don't know what to expect. They think because we are winning and making money that it will be same percentage on the bigger accounts, and it will not, because I'm risking this because I can risk this. I'm willing to lose everything because in my own trading, I'm trading gold. For position would be I would lose more than my whole account here, only from bot. I made much more money, that's okay, but just saying, I have Bitcoin position that's bigger losses than this account. This is my experiment, how much we can grow and how fast, from just to show everybody like 1% a day you can grow. I'm not trading only this account, so like people like you're losing time. No, I'm trading five accounts same time. Maybe I should turn something off because it's really hard. But yeah,
Telling you, we need to make an API interface that just syncs them all up. So when you make a trade on one, it scales to the
no,
others.
it's not like that, man. I trade. I have that's six bots now. That's six different strategies, and I had to split them. If something goes wrong, I don't want to lose all accounts same time. So let's say in one account I have only RSI, second account I have institutional level with trend trader, and then I have Brian Watt scalper, and I have uh, this shooting star, but it's still not finished. Something is off there. It can be better, but I need to figure out some math. I didn't have time. Like I'm needed in too many directions same time. So when people start asking me stupid questions, like this morning, like you will you mentor me, but I don't have money. And I had to be honest, I don't want to be a mentor. That's really hard
Obviously,
for.
the answer is yes. Of course, I'll mentor you
Yeah, but
Fuck
they
yes.
free.
Unbelievable.
It was a joke, Sasha.
Sorry, I didn't heard you. I heard your joke, but what did
Said
you say?
maybe it was a joke.
Yeah, I had the similar offers every day, a few times a day. So like, or I have offer like, okay, I know to trade. I want to make a bot. Okay, just make it. Like, no, no, can you like help me?
How about um the one where they go, hey, can you just give me the source code for your bot so I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
change it a bit?
yeah. Every day. Yep, you saw that. Like, I'm not lying.
Yeah.
Every day, somebody like,
Hey,
whoa.
nice indicator. Can you give me the source code so I can make a bot?
Unbelievable. Yep.
Yeah, it's like when they always ask on TradingView if they can get access.
Unbelievable.
It's a good idea. Yeah, hit the like button. Simple Futures, you champ. Hog champ. What's your story, Simple Futures? I've seen you in Brian's stream most days that I'm in there. Your name is Simple Futures, so I assume you trade futures.
You're fucking with me, aren't you? Jeebus.
What?
uh,
No, I'm talking to Simple Futures, not you. I already know you trade.
Jeebus, do you know who that are? Who that is? God damn it, my English sucks.
No?
That's dude part from your crew. God damn it.
Oh, you troll. You troll. Not using your real name.
He's your best friend, man. Like, I told you guys when you come here.
Wait, it's you?
No. When he comes with you here, you're going to wrestle, and I'm going to make a bet on that. You remember the story? I
Oh,
told
that's
you.
right. I'm gonna fuck him up, aren't I? I totally forgot about it.
No, I think you both going to be too much drunk. Like it will be so much. I need to record that. That's going to be the best ever.
Yeah,
Like
that's for sure.
I got a fun story about that actually. So, a mate of mine, he was a big dude, right? He was in the army for like 7 years or some shit, right? I don't know what he was exactly. I'm pretty sure he was just a grunt. But he's a big dude, right? Can't really, other than basic combat training, I don't think he learned to fight necessarily. But he like, when he was in Afghanistan, they just lifted every day. That's all they fucking did while they were over there. He tells me, and practiced maneuvers. Um, but we were super drunk at his party at one point in time. And he's like, "Let's wrestle. Come on, you do that BJJ stuff. I want to see this." And I'm like, I don't know, man. I'm pretty drunk." And he's like, "Nah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine." I'm like, "All right, man." And within about 3 seconds, I was on his back and had him on the ground, like tapping out. And he's like, "What the fuck just happened?" Like, you got fucked up, man. That's what happened. I was so fucking drunk though after that, like, because your heart obviously speeds up a fair bit when you're fighting someone. Like, it's a massive adrenaline surge, right? Um, it just pumped scotch around my body so much faster and mixed with the oxygen, and I was so sick the next day. I suspect because of that, because I just fought that guy and it just completely flooded my system with booze.
nice, but I think
Yep,
we should
good
try
times.
that. My father is a real psychopath, like
Oh,
real
great.
psychopath. Yeah, and he had like 120, 130 kilograms all his life, and really strong man. Uh, I saw him knock down the bull himself. Like he
Holy
like
shit.
yeah, punch him, and that was it. The moment I came back from special forces, maybe I told you that story. I was on the front door, and he was like, "What? You think you're stronger than me?" And I was like, "Yeah, you're my father. I don't want to like hurt you, but Yeah, I am. Like, you don't know how what shit I just went through there, and like, yeah, I'm in the best shape of my life. Like, I will fuck you up in a second. And he just came to me like to punch me, and I do some crazy judo style, and I toss him. Like, even gave him like on that speed and that weight, he like fall down and break some how it calls. What you have on the kitchen floor, how it calls?
Tiles.
Tiles, yeah, yeah, and he broke like tiles, and my sister's husband was like, Sasha, stop, please, please, and I was like, I'm going to fuck him up just to show him like everything and then what he did so far. I didn't want to do it from like respect to him, but like still wanted to fight me. I'm 19 years old, like I'm going to kick his ass, and he just stood up then and took a car and just leave the house. Never came back. So it was something like that. I called him one time a few years later, like in another city. I had some mental issues, you know my story, and I was on the free weekend, and I was like, let's talk, have a cup of coffee, and he wanted to meet in public, and like he was standing on the other side of the road, and I was like, come, like if I wanted to fuck you up, like I wouldn't call you like this. I would do that in your apartment. I know where you live. Like, like let's try to be civilized. There's no
Bet he
problem.
just didn't want to get Uchimated again. No hip
No, no.
toss. No hip toss.
When I came back from special forces, I had 75 kilograms. The moment we were on the
So
coffee,
little.
the moment when we were on coffee, I had 95. So I think I was like a little bit more buffed, and maybe I was like looking different.
Intimidating.
Yeah. I told you yesterday on the birthday, I stood up and started yelling. Everybody was standing still, like in the army, like arms to your legs, and like everybody's just blinking. Nobody was talking. So like yeah, when I lose it, like people around me change. Like they became, if they're black, they're just become white like in an instant. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe if
Come
everything is
on,
normal.
dump it, Cable. Dump it, you piece of shit. Second profit
What
target.
happened
Yes.
with my Aussie dollar?
Still down.
Made money.
Good.
Nice RSI.
21 even.
Nice RSI.
Good
Nice.
butt. Good butt. Stupid butt.
Yeah, stupid bot. Good. Fuck you, bot. Yep. It's turned on. Nice. So you see the settings. It's time to Brian my position on 1 minute. Let's go, bot. Woo! Trade this. God damn it. Ooh, Aussie dollar. Maybe long. One minute. Maybe 200 long. Come on, bot. Take a position. So nobody leave the stream on my stupid story. Nice. I thought like we will lose everybody. I will I will remain by myself. Nice. I missed my short on the GBPUSD on cTrader by like few pips.
Oof. Did you have a
Maybe,
resting order?
yep, with the profit target itself. Yep. Fuck. God damn it. Just missed that. His brother actually released the real cause of his death. It's overdose. I think 9 years after his death, those lads did a lot of coke. Yes, this is your. Yep, have a look at the old forms. Well, Steiny, maybe I'm kidding, maybe I'm not, but these guys know my story, and I love to have fun and enjoy life, but I have a dark side. So I think that I love Brian the way I love that dude because he reminds me of myself. So I see myself in like 25 years, and like I know I'm going to be like that, and when I go to Rampage, that's it.
That's pretty valid, actually. His rants are up there with yours, right?
Yep. So like I know people hate that, but in my own twisted mind, oh fuck me, just second, 0.24,
Ooh.
0.24. Okay, this is fine. Let me do one more here. Uh, so that maybe that's why I like him so much because like I see myself like same crazy old grumpy dude. Uh, okay,
That's 500. Moon.
you still long
Who's that talking?
Razor.
The moon boy, remember? I always want to go to the moon.
Moon it.
Did you see this? Look how it's beautiful colorful chart. Maybe it means something. Let me show you. This time I put the resting orders because I don't want to wait. You remember the pair I know a bit to trade? So I just left some resting orders, risking a buck or two, something like that. So I don't care. But I care. I will going to lose 200 bucks, 1,000 bucks. God damn it! I need to fix my. Let me measure that. Hmm, Let's go to MT5 again, and to find the account. Um, so cancel, cancel. Mm. Delete so I can re-add. Because today, is this today? Today was 19. This is 19. This is 18. So we pumped already. Only 1%. We can go more, 3 more percent today. God damn it. So maybe order here. We will see. I need to manage that to see how it goes. Again, I shouldn't told you Davis who he is because you two are going to fight.
Well,
Like,
maybe if he was stopped being such a pussy and jumped on the mic, then maybe I could yell at him in person.
yep, I agree. But if you
So
don't,
you really didn't know her.
yep, I see
I
the
legit
with the
didn't know.
comment.
I didn't know.
Yep, I see with the comments. Like, yeah. Something is running through my roof. I don't know, is that a cat or some rat? Imagine a picture. I'm shading and red just jumped through my head. I'm start clicking buttons, trying to take him on or something like that, and make a million. American skin, thousands of skin. And simple features, you can make a better thumbnail or your avatar, how you call that on YouTube, like change that picture. It looks like MT5, goddammit, like MT4.
Should change it to a
It's
koala. Everyone fucking
using
loves
MT.
koala.
Forty, you said something and I didn't hear you.
He's using MT4.
Oh, that's why he has the picture. Oh, that's fine.
That 8-bit picture. That's actually MT4 text that he's just screenshot, I'm pretty sure.
Nice, guys. If I knew from the beginning you don't know who he is, like I would told you before because like it was
He
too
could have
quiet for
led
4 days.
He could have led me on this amazing journey where he just lied through his teeth about who he was, and I would have believed it all. I would have been like, "Wow, welcome, man. Enjoy your stay here." But yeah.
But
Fuck
Jibs,
that.
how you didn't you saw stuff on the Discord from Simple Features, didn't you?
Oh, I don't read anything from him, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
Simple.
right.
There's a reason he's got simple in front of his name, right?
You guys, you're crazy.
Stonks.
Maybe long GP soon. Soonish, not soon. On that swing, I'm looking on the wrong chart. I know. Sorry, guys.
Looks weaker than it does
What's
stronger
this?
to me.
What's this? I have some order. Need to manage everything. Fucking shit. Too many orders. And I should turn off the other bots. It's Friday soon, so need to start with de-risking soonish.
Yeah, good idea.
Woo! Guys,
Get ready for whoa.
Jeeves, sorry.
Yeah.
Just check your JC.
Oh.
You have JC still, or you don't
Oh
have?
yeah. Yeah, I got.
What's that music?
No, it didn't close. Sorry, my mistake. I thought it was closed. This was dollar short from the bot.
Nope,
No, it
still
was
open.
no, it was my today my US 500 short. I had short, small short. Made some small money. Fuck. I thought the short from this worked out, but nah. Still gain. That means, guys, that means I need to again to add the fucking order. 69134. 69. Hundred times trying, god damn it.
That'll do. You know you can like
No, it
type
has
the
to be
number in.
perfect.
You can type the number in.
Then I don't play games. I'm typing numbers
I
this
only
way.
like to click and drag things, okay?
Yep, yeah. Ooh, losing so much on this US 500. Unbelievable. Come on, pump. Crazy Fridays. I really don't want to drag this to Monday, but obviously this is my new Aussie dollar, Aussie US dollar. Okay, I have a much bigger account, but god damn it. In one moment I had here 600 and I had 300 loss on Aussie dollar drawdown. It wasn't a loss, but so looking better than then, but still I don't like it. Come on, just tag my order, make me money, and then go to other thing. Come on, I know you can do it. I know you want to. Stupid bot.
Stupid bot.
Mm.
Are you allowed to call it a stupid bot when you made it? I
Yep.
don't feel like that's correct.
Yeah, because I'm stupid, so stupid bot, that's just like technically correct.
It's the best kind of correct.
Still not short. This is still not short. God damn it. So, Razer, proper way of using this indicator, this is still technically not short because it's still higher than 21. I would not.
Does it wait on a close?
If you
Yep.
do the 15 minute now, it looks different. It's not a short now.
Yep. Not even here. Look, I told you. You have to have 21 on your chart. That's the proper way to use it. It doesn't matter
It's
only
still
the
long.
lines. Yep.
It also is still a long.
But the good thing is when something happened, because I cannot talk about the code itself. Something it goes to sideways. It will come blue again, and because it's higher than 21, it will become buy signal again. Then
I think this is a good scalp long.
ooh, look at US 500. Jesus Christ. US
Just say
Tech.
it does a little something.
You got an order
Just
there.
got out of the 500.
Jesus Christ. Some news, guys. Something maybe.
Market open?
Yeah, in 2 minutes. Thanks. Like, what's happening?
Strap yourself in, boys. 30 minutes of trading and then bedtime.
I have to look on 15 minutes also. Oof.
Too high?
The problem is no, it's not too high. It can swing two highs higher on 15 minutes. So two more swings can be higher. The problem is for me this pair now three different price projections telling me the same thing. Close this. Thanks. So I can now short here. Two things telling me the same thing. Three things. Three different swings. 10, 1, 30, maybe. That's not stop loss. That's profit target because that's short. God damn it. Paste. That's nothing.
Step into my office, US 500.
GBP. Maybe soon some longs. And I pussy myself out of this scalp. God damn it, not even to 21 5 minutes. Pussy. Here, pussy. Look, cannot be
Market
better.
open though, right? Market
Yeah.
open, you don't want to play there.
Yeah, but this swing, this price projection, that's a big bot. I told you I sold these projections of the. Did I told you I sold the projection on NAS 100? Yep, I got the call and I showed them the chart and they figured out that I accidentally found the swing of the bot. The most important, and they was like,
Oh,
okay.
yeah, and they're like, how'd you do that? And you're like, I don't know.
Yeah, I just pulled the line and sometimes it's pure luck, so but I will not change the the NAS 100 chart will not be changed. God damn it, look at that short. Close it. Motherfucker. Fuck. That's Razor's fault.
Fucking Razor. 40, are you alive still, mate, or did you die?
I'm still alive. I'm just dealing with VPS issues.
Have you tried turning it off, and then I hear that you turn it back on, and then it's
I'm booting it. So
good, good.
You're booting it. Nice.
yeah,
Sasha style.
the cTrader is sucking the life out of it.
Yep, cTrader is hard for your PC. I know that.
You guys have shit PCs. Get a better PC.
Who, me?
Mine's pretty. Everyone, all of you, go get yourselves better PCs.
Let's
Especially you, Simple Futures.
let's see. Tell me your RAM.
I have 32 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz RAM overclocked to 3666 megahertz.
I don't know my overclock, but it's same. So it's DD4 32 gigahertz DD4. What's your GPU?
3900X.
Oh, to be honest, I even don't
Oh,
know that. What's that?
it's
So,
one of the AMD ones. New
oh yeah,
well,
yeah.
not new, but
I have GTX 1070 here, so it's
you've seen my screenshots of my core count and stuff, haven't you?
yeah, but I have the same. So like maybe not perfect, but I'm confident in my city. Maybe have the best PC for this kind, but doesn't matter. It doesn't help me in trading. I need PC that will make me
Mine
money.
doesn't help me in anything. It just costs me a lot of fucking money. But it is water
Trump
cooled,
rally.
therefore nice and quiet. Trump rally? Do it.
You said Trump
The
rally, but
greatest rally in the world. Best rally. American rally.
American rally. Amazing.
And
Um,
2 hours till Feds talk again. And then 3 hours until our good friend Powell talks again.
uh,
Or
guys,
testifies again.
this is not right. This profit minus the asset. That's because this position is still open on US 500. So I drag that minus every day, but I didn't de-risk today. That was my stupidity 2 days ago. So 3 days ago, when did I de-risk that? I don't know. So on 17, yeah. So 2 days ago.
I'll
So
allow it.
no, it was my stupid. I clicked the fucking wrong button. I wanted to long the US tech, and I clicked the long on US 500, and I'm short there, so it automatically de-risked my position. So it was really bad. So technically, it's not from today. I made 1%, $10 something today. Stupid. Come on. And I didn't long this. God damn it. I told you 1 minute 200. Like, play back the video. Ah. Uh, nice. This RTX doesn't allow you to hear cutting trees. Yep. Somebody in the neighborhood cutting trees. Maybe that cause city without the electricity. Like some wood fell fell down and like broke something. Come on, market, move. Where is the volatility? Like, I don't care. I didn't have balls to take long on this. No. Here, we'll see. Amazing. Doesn't even change. Euro
This
US
has been a disappointing open.
so far, and then yesterday volatility started much later, something like that. But doesn't matter. Hey, I didn't make my percent on my baby account. God damn it, I need volatility. Come on, I wanted to like call it's okay for today, but I didn't made. I shouldn't trade with other guy that traded 3.5 lots in one moment and almost 4 lots or even 4 lots. Don't remember even.
Yeah, he's
So
no wuss.
And
yep.
doesn't pussy out.
40. What did you want to say?
I said he's no wussy.
Yeah. But I helped him go through the process and I lost time. Didn't trade by myself because I was looking on ideas how to fucking manage that position on that account. That's tiny account for that position. And then I figured out I didn't figure out, he told me that like, yeah, I have like two more pairs. Like, what? Are you insane?
I think he doesn't understand about the margin, like how much percentage you utilize and should or shouldn't.
No, he said like, yeah, I'm in bad spot. Lost myself today, like adding, and waiting, and that's the problem.
Did you tell not to add more, like once every 15 minutes?
Of course, I gave him the version. Then when he can put how many candles later, but you know him, he knows the best. Did you forget that part?
Yeah, well, yeah, maybe.
Oof. So imagine myself, Jibas, as a mentor. Like, imagine myself standing behind and just hurting somebody in the head,
If
like punching.
I
Fuck
was
you.
gonna say, if I was getting you to mentor me, it would be online and not not in physical presence.
Like tossing stuff, like taking your mouse from
Yeah.
your hand and god damn it, like breaking that. Don't click the button. Click the
Stupid
button.
trader. Stupid butt. Stupid trader.
Two days ago, I told you we were trading Bitcoin like big boys position. You should hear me like, don't trade profit target now. I told you, please. Why the fuck I'm doing fib projection, taking everything in account, like sweating like a pig for everybody there, drinking, enjoying, and don't care. And like, don't fucking take a like. And then I said like, take profit. He asked now, and price is moving because when it starts to become volatile, you cannot wait. And I was like, yeah, that's the place I told you like 5 minutes ago. God damn it! Like, why didn't you have the order there? Unbelievable.
All I can say is I hope you get paid well for that.
Yeah, I did, but god damn it. He made a decent money, like 2 months pay in Australia almost. You saw his
Yeah.
average in 3 days, so but doesn't
Yep.
matter.
I'll take it. What you should do is tell them that you want a percentage of their gains.
No, you know me, I don't care. I make money myself.
You should care. So, this is the worst part of trading for me, right? Everything's kind of crossed over, or like the EMAs are kind of moved together. This is where I feel like I need to do something other than EMA trading, right? Because yeah, this is fucking boring.
I can show you stuff if you want, even in the
Yeah, I think
stream. So
I'm learning stuff as is, right? If you want to demo stuff, feel free to. But
no
if
damn
not, I'll
stuff.
just
Let's do on the
use
live
Simple Fusion.
account. So like click here and click here.
Show again? Sorry, I missed. There's a timing difference.
See on
There
the,
we go.
so click here and click there. That's how I traded today GBP/USD.
So you're just buying the top of the range,
Yeah, selling.
shorting the top of the range and buying the bottom.
Look on the chart. Let me zoom in.
I see.
So like same as you, I was like, we are in the freaking middle of the range, and we are going to stay there. And like, well, fuck it. Like I need to make money because didn't trade when I should on this pump. So like, okay, click the fucking button, and as you can see, like small ranges, like market making limit orders, and that's I made good trades there. Now, this is times two, and this is times two, so like really good, really good trades there. Like that's our something. That's 13 bars, so it's
Yeah,
our 5
really
minutes.
nice.
So that's my opinion. Like if you even if you're starting bad, because if even if it's go against you, like against me here, because it's only 0.0 lot on our account, that thousand count, that 0.0 lot is manageable whatever price does. Like fuck it, that's nothing. So start somewhere cheap. Maybe Aussie dollar is a little bit cheaper than GBP/USD. So like just do limit orders. Soon will be good long on Aussie dollar 5 minute. Let me check on the 15 minute here. Yep, 21 EMA is coming soon. So click the button, push the
Yeah, it looks
button.
like a good long actually. I want an impulsive move down, like a push down.
I don't care. It's 0.0 lot. That is what I'm saying to you. Like, and then if it goes up, like continue. Click, 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 click. Like do another order here. So if it goes higher, you already short, then you do limit order here, lower, and like this. Dun, 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 dun. Be a market maker on a retail account. Because when it stacks, like that's the only way to trade. I don't know what else to do. Like make money in the range. Like people told me, yeah, but that's a lot of work. Well, it's not because I'm sitting looking at nothing. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. It doesn't trend. Like I still need to make money. Good morning, Tintin. What's up, my man? Make some money today. Come on, see? Come on! Fuck you. So if it goes higher, I want short. If it goes lower, I want long. And do this like when it stops with volatility, that's it.
Whilst we wait, we'll just scalp the shit out of this range.
Yeah, why not, man? I don't have like 70 more years to live. Like I need to make money now. Fuck you, like just uh and if I see the range will stay the same, I will already get in. As you can see here on, it was small range but decent. Almost 1% on this fucking stupidity. That's not even trading. I knew it's going to make some kind of consolidation and it's going sideways. Same, I think, maybe now on 5 minute. Jesus. So, a little bit lower. Yep. and that's it. Whatever it decide, I agree. Don't have a problem with that. Mm-hmm. Tintin, you're trying to set up a futures account. Nice, that's great. Uh, Low volume, yeah, because I don't want to risk a stupid amount that doesn't make sense to trade. But if you get a consolidation, you can still make some money. So, like, why not? If it goes hard against you, you can brand yourself out of the position. That's still not problem. Like now on this 1,000 bucks account, now I can do wonders. When it was only 600, that was really hard. So at
If you're
least, yeah.
if you're setting up an actual futures account, Tintin, I'd be very careful with things like commissions. They will rack up very quickly if you're scalping, especially if you're not using volume, or if you are making lots and lots of trades, you'll get fucked over pretty quickly by commission and data fees and stuff like that. So careful. MES will help, and the commissions are less. But if you are scalping, it'll cost you a lot still, guarantee you. And I think the data fees are pretty much the same, right?
Jabez, do you have some good uh, futures account? Or it's only simple
No.
futures?
So I've looked at a lot of different places for futures accounts, and none of them that I can find will allow me to trade the volume I do without fucking me over with data fees and round trip data costs.
Oh, so
And account minimums, so margins for day trading are about, I think it's like $400 minimum. And that's for one contract. If you're more than one contract and you plan to hold it overnight ever, then you need at least $400 in your account. If you're trading two contracts, I'll typically trade 3 contracts per entry. And that's so, yeah, and that's $1,200 for me.
simple features. I send you private message, so please read it.
Yeah, so $15 a month for data, $1 round trip, depending on who you trade with, right? Plus, depending on who you trade with, platform access fees. Some of them do charge that shit too. You're going with someone like NinjaTrader, are there your free commissions on yearly subscription? How much is? Okay, exchange fee. How much is their yearly subscription?
I don't even want to pay TradingView, goddammit, that's 500 bucks.
Yeah, well, that's what I look at, right? Even as it is, I look on my cTrader account, and my baby account has paid $70 in commissions right now, and it's $190 up, I think, up from where it started. So if I add my $70 on top of that 190 bucks, I've essentially made much more than I actually have, but a lot of it was taken out in commission.
Yeah, so like I did a quick math. 2 years for me to pay trading you, just trading you. Like if I paid it as I should, that's $1,000. On $1,000, only that I can make like at least 5,000 in 2 years. So that's 6,000 that is not in my pocket because I paid the trading view. That doesn't make sense. I know it doesn't,
Yeah,
it's
I'd
not a
agree.
lot in some country, but it's still fucking a lot. Like you can do some stuff in any country with 6K. Doesn't matter from where you are. Like
Yeah, I'd agree.
like 4 years like that, and I buy a new car, a totally new car. Like, mm, uh, I wanted to long the here, and I clicked the button, but I was clicking here, if you can see, and it didn't
Oops.
work because like there's no button there. So I didn't long
No.
this. Wanted to do like what? And I was like, God damn it again! It will take them 10 seconds, and like I will be in bad position, but fucking unbelievable. Let me check trading view just a second. Aussie dollar looks still like a good long. So just scalp there, scalp here, scalp somewhere. Now I need to squeeze that down. Dixie is Dixie is around 21 and on the fee projections. So Dixie, let me show you what I'm looking at. So Dixie maybe touch this and then push itself at least to 200 because my basic rule.
Oh, that EMA as well, right?
Yep. So my basic rule. So you have three candles in a row with wicks to downside also. So maybe even one more try and then 200. My second thing that I'm watching. So wicks price projection 21 and my rule is 21 200 21 200 then like choose a side. I don't know where it's going to go, but it should be something like that. Doesn't have to be, but it's like sometimes more than 80%. My general win percentage now is on this account. On this account is 86%, and on my baby account on the cTrader is only 82%. But I had a much bigger winners there. I didn't close trades that fast. I think my smallest winners are around 60 cents, and I have 10 cents winner on this MT5. So that's the difference. That's why I made more money. Actually, I didn't make more money, but I did a percentage. Now it's 100. It's still going up. God damn it. Jesus. And again, on the fib projection, can't go better than that. That's amazing. Now you know why I sold this. Look, the two fibs. Can you get better than that? Two purple lines, you see?
Nice.
Can't go better than that. Like, not a chance. Imagine you have 100 million. Like, catch small and catch small time. Catch. Fuck. On the first try you should do that, but nice. Aussie dollar, are you fucking kidding me? Just Aussie dollar. If I only had the balls to keep that position going. So if you shorted this, this was the signal, but wasn't doing proper stuff on this candle after this close. If you shorted, this looks nice. Your profit target is
What do
around
the
here.
white candles mean? I forgot to ask you the other day.
If you don't have 21,
Okay.
so if you don't have the 21 on a chart, it say to you when it crossed the 21. So that was profit target. Nice. Get back the 21 indicators.
In a long Aussie dollar here.
No, a fee projection is much lower, and 200. Look on 50 minutes. I will be right with you just a second. 21 Aussie dollar 15 minutes. So 200 is here, and a fee projection mine is 68742. 68742. Here.
Oh wow, that's much fucking lower. God, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to scale into. But I'm there. I'll fucking do it. Watch me.
Yep.
Interestingly, I had a resting order down there that I'd totally forgotten about.
44. 44, that's 55. Jesus, do your math. 44, god damn it. Nice. So this way I know it's field projection. Come on, just take my profit and then short and then take profit and short and yeah. Stein is playing games. Stein, you're still in the chat or you're playing Counter-Strike? Sorry. No action, so we're playing games. Some RSI is on the critical level, guys. Some RSI. What the fuck? Maybe it was GBP, then it pumped. GBP, it was Aussie dollar, yeah, on 1 minute. Yep, it was done, then it pumped. So 200 is here. I need to put.
I'm out of my Aussie dollar long. Woo.
Already made money.
Fuck.
And then now pump 2%. God damn it.
God damn it.
Sasha, do you know resting order is better? Resting order is better, but sometimes it just stay on my order. It doesn't work.
Spread.
Pump. Look. Look. Fucking unbelievable. Did you see that? Did
Yep.
you fucking see that?
So if it's going down, you'd short it there, right?
Yep. Everything's fine. Still didn't make my percentage today on my baby account. Come on, do something. Guys, what you're trading? Chat. Something.
Nothing.
And
I'm
Bitcoin is
about to be
going.
trading.
Bitcoin is going to stay in this range till Friday, 10 a.m. Or 8 a.m. UTC time, and a minute later it's going to get 10% in one direction, because on that moment my option
Your
is
futures
expired.
options, yeah. I'll make a note. Hey, your US 500's looking nicer at the moment.
Yep.
Hey, 40, what did you have for brunch, mate?
Eggs and pork belly.
Oh, I love pork belly. Pork belly and pork knuckle. So fucking good.
Guys,
My
Dipping
favorite.
pork belly in the runny egg yolks.
Oofed.
don't talk about food, god damn it. You know I'm on diet. Jesus Christ. Fuck.
I can post some picture on this.
No, no, fuck. Going to die over here. Come on, fucking get out from the position. Fuck you. Jesus Christ. Fucking unbelievable. Like, get out. Simple features. Need to talk to you. Maybe it's time for me to change this. Change this type of account. Fucking unbelievable. Like, price, you saw that Jib's price went higher
Yep.
than my fucking order. Unbelievable. And it was only 0.01. Fucking unbelievable. Please.
Yep. I'll never go back from raw trade.
Yeah,
Now.
and
So
Aussie dollar is 6 cents. 6 cents cost of the fees. So it's worth it because gap 50 minutes. Yes, it's 20 and tap. 15 minutes. Let's see. 15 minutes. Yep, up and down. Like if you had order here to scalp, that was awesome deal. Look at my short,
I
Jeebus.
wasn't brave enough to short that on open. I was too scared.
But look,
Pussy.
just like this.
Yeah, I see.
Fuck. Yeah, I pushed myself out of this position. I know there's a level, but I'm a boss, I know. Not sure
I'm
this.
just getting started for today. I finally got cTrader to run again.
Grats. Do you have to change anything to make it go?
Those widgets, they suck the life out of it. It's like each widget is an extra.
Yeah, I short in there. I wanted only to reshort here, but after this RSI was high, and I was like, I already missed this position from this one. No, even higher. Yep, I was looking at this swing. So because of this swing, I was I thought like again it will front run me, and I left one position and I had two. So my bad again, but doesn't matter. Still looking okay. My average is 90 now. Nice. Aussie dollar. Hmm. I don't want to do this. I want to leave bot on 1 minute. 15 minute can do anything. USD CAD is in the middle. I hate like when everything stucks in the middle. Like you can do whatever.
Yep, I agree. We're just talking about that, right? Fucking sucks.
What's this? Fetcher. Very soon, very soon, very soon. Very soon, 10 hours later. No, how much?
1 moment later.
1 million years later. Fucking short. Doesn't matter, Sasha. Come on. Just do whatever. Doesn't matter. Like, action, action. Action, action. Reload about it. Steiny, playing games. I see. Yes, Tiny. Counter striking. Do you know how long, Jeeves, I thought that Steiny is a girl?
No. How long?
Like a year?
An attractive girl or just
I
like a
don't know.
normal?
I don't think on that, but just
Did I miss
girly.
him talking about girls?
There he is.
There he is.
I had
Yeah.
a phone
agree.
call. I was working.
Sure. Working, finding more barbecue dates.
I got one on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah.
Sorry,
Oh, shit.
Steiny, it's not nothing bad. Girl or boy doesn't matter anyway, but I think in chat I read that you're a girl, so
Well, he acts like a girl. Something different.
Oofed. Oofed.
again I don't want to comment on that. That doesn't matter, but I think one time when we were talking boys and girls, you commented I am a girl, so like in my mind that was it. Okay, you're a girl. That's like watch what you're talking with her, because like it's not the same. Like I can talk shit to Jibus. Doesn't matter. He can handle that, but like be respectful with the girls. I don't want to comment on what on who you remind me. That's not for the life.
Lol.
They're going to ban me. God damn it! What happened here? We made money.
You
Ooh.
remind me of my first wife.
No, 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 no. My first wife is my third wife. God damn it. So that doesn't count. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Yeah. Steiny, I told you my wife is going to write a book about my life, and like it's like Turkish, Mexican, Indian soap opera together, like mixed in one. That's something like my sounds like my life. Now, Jeebus, did you saw like long, short, doesn't matter, long, short, and you make money. That's it. See?
Yeah, I just did both.
Easy.
Long, short,
Yep.
actually short, long, short, and close position. And now I think I'm going to go to sleep, gentlemen. Before no, fuck, it's not before midnight. God damn it!
Yeah, thanks for
Missed
being
it.
here. I know you're sick. You should get some rest, man. Thanks for being here and
I plan to.
helping.
Thanks for the company, gentlemen, and lady, and fuck you, Simple Futures. You're an idiot. Bye.
Bye.
Bye
Yeah,
bye.
see you
Good
next
night.
week.
See you,
You see
gentlemen. Have a
him?
good weekend.
Ooh, Razor, you can see him. Nice for you. I cannot see him. Jesus, I only can hear him voice. And we stuck in the middle of the range. Middle of the range, middle of the range,
Yeah,
middle of the range. God
over.
damn it. Over
But
and
the US
over.
500 short might be something. I got
Well,
out. Sasha, you'll be proud of me.
on the short or on the long?
I got out on the long on the US 500 at 31.52.
Because you saw my short order. Just kidding, just kidding.
Oh no, no. Then I have a short from 31.8. No.
Euro USD. If you were short on Euro USD here, this, as I said, this was profit target, so you should already got stopped out. So looking maybe for longs. Yep. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I like messy charts. It doesn't let me. God damn it. In the middle of the range. Didn't made enough
You like a
money.
messy chart with all the arrows in it, you mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Positions and closing positions. It's tiny, possible, but I can assure you my oldest son, he's 14 now, and he started trading with me, and this summer he finished his middle school, how it calls, before the high school, depending on the country, and he's going to trade with me all summer, so I think he's going to get some knowledge before the 18th birthday. He gets time, and I hope he'll be even better than me, like before 18th birthday. Hopefully. Yeah, let him be a man. He already was mining with me. I started mining 3 years ago. He only had 11 and made some money. Now, because of the mining GPU, he has most powerful PC from like between his friends, and he made some money, like 400, 500 bucks. In that age, in our country, that's too much. Honestly, too much. Can somebody see is Brian streaming? Maybe.
I looked some moments ago and he didn't.
Yeah, I think I saw on his Twitter he will not do streaming today, so
He did another night stream last night. He was twice yesterday.
Stein, you don't remember because my country is not on the map. Like nobody remembers my country, not even God. Like we're forgotten. We don't exist anymore. This is not a stream. This is only imagination. Ooh.
When did your country get internet?
Like 2 days ago. You see, we don't have electricity. God damn it! In the middle of the freaking stream, like I bought Oops, but it doesn't help because my provider of the internet just went down. So fuck. 15 minutes. Short that. Jesus Christ. Long. Short. Long. Short. Come on, guys. Make some money.
Somebody tripped over the cable there earlier. Huh?
Yep. And I made money there. It was really nice. Really, really nice. Dun, 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 dun. Mhm. I'm back for our track. Although
Can you check? Can you check for me why? I mean, Euro USD I get where it went, but Euro CHF I wasn't expecting it to it's that low.
Euro CHF.
CHF, yeah.
Euro CHF. So click and it goes here somewhere here.
Put it on stream.
Yep, just a second. Yep, you're looking there. Nice. Click, click. What time frame you're looking at? Indicator. Just a second. I need to figure this
15,
chart. Delete that.
15
Some
minutes.
news.
Maybe if you go to the 4 hour, but I was expecting it to where it's right now that it would hold right here and then it went lower.
This wasn't tested.
Untested.
This wasn't tested properly. So
In the end, it's not bullish anymore right now. It's just
well,
more
technically,
sideways.
I don't short. Okay, nice. Sorry, guys, my baby girl just went in and I don't know how it calls.
Your ass.
Yeah, no, it's the little bug, the red bug with black dots. How it calls?
Ladybug.
Yeah, ladybug, and she was like, "Yeah, ladybug." Like, okay, like get that shit out from my office. Like if
Working.
no, no problem with working. This is not work, man. I don't care. But like I don't want bugs in the office. Like sometimes you have too much flies.
Then you have to wash yourself or tell some employees to do.
Stein, yeah, I heard. I was reading that in the other chat, and I remember the Razer was talking about that. But sensing, I don't know what sensing is. Can somebody translate me? Sensing. Can you see the chat, 40? I don't understand. We were trying to wade sensing. What sensing?
Shallow waters. See if they could get through with the Land Rover and then.
Oh.
I don't know what sensing means. I think it's
I didn't hear sensing before.
Making money, guys. Come on. 15, 20.
I'm back at 210. Sha.
Ooh, nice. Nice.
Started with 200, and then I had that very bad day, remember? And then I went to 80. I think. 80 to 81.21, and then to 180.
Fuck! I closed this too soon. Too soon. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Yep. But that's 7 seconds, Sasha. Please don't do it. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. God damn it, I want short. Stop. Don't click the button. Oof, so annoying. I want to click freaking short. Fuck. And if I click the short, it would moon. God damn it. Well, doesn't matter. Ooh, bot one to open the long position. Come on. Come on. Pattern chains looks with the pearl. This U attack is really pushing. Really pushing. Unbelievable. How
So Amazon was gap open very high, so that will help.
pattern chains looks with the pearl. Finally, for this account over 1000.
Yeah, I heard earlier that. Yeah, great. That was pretty
Final.
quick, huh? About 3 weeks or so.
From 26th last month. Yeah, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Question: you guys all trade together? Everybody has its own account, but we are a team. Like I have professional coders making us stuff, and the other guys that you hear are testing the bots, stuff like that. And yep, dumped, but no problem. Made money there. So we're trading together, but everybody has its own account and manage own risk. So, like, well, that's the answer. Don't know how to put it in other words. I just figured out that I have big ears and I need bigger headphones. Yep, Tintin, it's really boring to trade by yourself. Like all day looking at screens going up, down, going like ticks up, down, up, down, up, down. It's really boring. So for me personally, I really like company, and we started this on Zoom together, like every day we're trading together, and like figure out why don't we just do this on the YouTube. Maybe we can even help somebody, or maybe we'll have even more people to talk about. If I get the hang of this day trading, we'll join you guys. Well, I hope you get the hang. It's a really good job or hobby or whatever you want to call it.
What's she saying?
She wants to say hello, so she was like, "Can I say hello?"
Hi. Did you
She
hear me? Or?
no, I'm on headphones, so
Oh, okay.
she cannot hear you. What?
Hello.
Ajde, kaži.
Hello.
Unbelievable. I think she's
I'm
my
going
girl.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think she was my girl because she likes to expose herself. Ah.
What do you
See?
mean?
She likes to expose herself. Like dancers like
Hmm?
be shown. So she's the same. Like she
Oh
likes to
yeah.
dance and like
Again.
yeah. Let me try to hear you guys this. Penka dođi. Dođi. Kaži subscribe-ujte, lajkujte.
Pajte. Julika.
She's trying to say subscribe and like, but she was watching some Russians for kids, and like it's a little bit different, and like she learned that on different language.
Я могу казати наша има самаца.
Gdje je mama? Ajde kod mame tamo. I think she wants to be a streamer. Crazy. Like I told her like go play with mommy and like
No.
no, like why?
She wants some attention from. Of course. You're sitting in the office all day, and then.
Yeah, I know that, but we were together today and yesterday I wasn't at office. We were together, but I still think she likes to sing and dance. When I go sometimes inside to house, I can see her like dancing to the music, like taking. I bought her some mic and stuff, and she's always like in some corner dancing.
Okay.
She goes to ballet already. She's 4, and she really likes to dance, but now with Corona, she cannot go, so it sucks. Come on. I want to long you, please. Just a little bit scalp. Push. Push the button. And I want to short here, why not? And I want to long here, why not? And I want to delete this order. Thanks, Tintin. Uh, we still don't know where this channel will go, but for us to be like possible to do, we have to have good time and to enjoy. That's the first, and the second, like it has to be in some normal times. Like Jibus was yesterday sick and like he cannot do it, but there's few of us here, so like somebody can always jump in, and we hope to make money together. Why not? It's maybe much easier because somebody from the team will always see something I don't see. On the long run, that's great. Fucking unbelievable. Like, just long this shit. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Push the button. Scalp here, scalp there, scalp everywhere. Pum, 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 pum. Come on.
Oh my God, I've been having this web shop for a couple of years, and then last year I let this guy build it from scratch again, and some stuff it's unbelievable. Like keep on asking, like this needs to be like this needs to be like that, blah blah blah. Very easy, and now we're like almost a year later, and there's still stuff that's not the way it's supposed to be. I'm so so done with that guy. So now I'm right now I'm getting mad at him and telling him like, okay, I'm gonna tell you Monday how I want it, and I want it to have it fixed by the end of the week, and otherwise you can just fuck off, because
Well, I don't know how much you
to be
paid.
professional, I have a website. I'm selling shit, and I want it to look good. So
Yep, I
get on
agree
my
with you.
website and think like, oh, what kind of crappy shit is this? Okay, I'm out.
But if you paid him, like, he have to work on that.
Paid for it, and he has to deliver.
Man, you cannot like pay me for an algo and it doesn't buy and doesn't sell and doesn't take profits.
But you know yourself, your algo is not that good.
Yeah, no problem. But like it has to work stuff. Now you long so that it goes back to ATMA. My idea here was this purple line is my fee projection. So I expected some bounce, and I am expecting to go to 21 and to trend maybe lower, because before I did 821 I was doing only 21 and 200, and my rule is to squeeze in between 21 and 200 few times, and then it will decide about direction. I cannot know before it close somewhere. So like I expect to test 21 again, and on the first pass I want to short it. I can be wrong, like no problem, but that is like idea behind my strategy, and it worked for years now.
It will probably work.
Yep. Well, doesn't matter. I can, like, it's only a smallest contract. Whatever it does, I can manage that on this account. Now it's getting easier and easier. And as you can see, I'm still not greedy, starting with the smallest amount. No problem, Tintin. Like my first strategy that I learned was 21 200 combine. So like depending on where is 21 and where is 200, I expect something to happen. If I see candles showing me the same, then that's my second confirmation. Then I learned like candlesticks pattern. If I see candlestick confirming, that's my like third, second, third. It doesn't matter. More confirmation you have, easier to take a position. Maybe you will get it wrong. It's still possible. Like there's nothing is 100%, but in the long run, that's your edge. Yep. If the if if it's price below, yep. But if we're trending, like here we start a trend, we 200 was above 21, and we started the trend downside. Your 21 is your resistance, and you should sell that on the first pass. Sometimes few more positions. As you can see, was really good to short. uh, when 21 is flattened, I don't trade, but usually you should sell higher and buy lower, but I don't trade there because in small time frame it can like forget about sideways in a second. After it get about 21 and 21 goes like on up and have an upslope, it should go to 200 and back from 221, but I then don't know the general direction of the trend, so I don't trade a lot there. Then I wait to see what will happen. So yep, same again. If you were short in here, after 21 is about 200 and it's upslope, you should buy it. That's the general idea. Again, it's not 100%, but it's really good strategy. Why not? And as I said, like combining everything I know to make more, like few more positions, just to make few more dollars here and there. And here I started longing before because this purple line was my free projection, and second, it didn't want to activate my order, and that was annoying me. So I got higher and my order was lower, as you saw, but doesn't matter. Still, this is really small position. I can manage with this, whatever.
Sasha, I gotta go. I have to shower and then go to my brother for dinner. So
No problem, man. Thanks for being
for
here.
the day.
Have a great
Take care.
weekend.
Bye bye.
Was fun, dude. This week.
Nice. I'm glad to
Do
hear.
it again next week.
Yep.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye.
You did a lot of trades today.
Yeah, I think. Yep. This wasn't from today. This is 2 days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 20 trades so far. And made 1.2% on the account, so it's decent. Can be better, why not? So let's see, can we go higher? Or we're going to dump? So the problem is this swing was tested. This swing isn't tested. Okay. So this swing wasn't tested, so I can do order here. And if we dump, that's 0.40 and that's almost 1%. Nice. I like that. Come on, lose it, god damn it, lose it. Come on, 200. Respect. GBP USD. Maybe start longing soon.
I'm in a long there. I loaded up one more.
My baby account today is not going well. I'm not losing, but I'm not making money. I didn't even make a percent today, only 0.5. Don't want to force it, but maybe I have to. Come on, god damn it. How much he dumped so far? Not even 1%. Okay. Still didn't get the sell signal, god damn it. Jesus Christ, this S&P. Crazy stuff. Ooh. I didn't expect that. Okay. Just just took my first profit target on gold on the cTrader, so my long was here. Nice. After the signal.
How is the price trading gold like? You need a lot of margin for that.
Yep. That's my 10K account, so like, because like one trade is around 1K almost sometimes. Like if it's a big swing on 4 hour, you can get 1K from that, so it's a big, because the trend can last much higher. Like that's a lot on gold. I would not trade gold on smaller account. And as you can see, it just longed it here and already took first profit target on the level. So now stop loss is on the break even, and if it goes higher, then it's fine. If it not, still made money. So nice. Come on, US 500, just maybe. Okay, I'm longing this. Just long small position on my baby account. GBP/USD. It's really getting on my nerves. But it can still go down. 235.29. 235.29. 235.29. Yep. That's the level. Okay. 235.
What are you counting there?
235.21. Reading the price. 235.29 is my fee projection. For the long. Yeah. Six months ago, if you remember, I was on that Facebook group working with them, did analysis a few times and stuff like that. And
You mentioned something back then.
is your phone that?
Is my audio breaking up?
Yeah, something is. No, it's not breaking. It's some noises.
There's some alarm sound in my cTrader.
Just a second. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I just found out what was with electricity. So one oil pump, or how you call that, when you tank your gas station. Yeah, one gas station in my city had gas leaking, and they had to pull out electricity in whole city because it can explode, and they didn't want that.
Never heard of such a precautious thing.
If that gas station exploded, it would took a hospital, children garden, does like kindergarten doesn't work, but that's close. Like it's near the center of the town, so like people are working there, and like would be crazy stuff. Really painful. So it wasn't bad idea at all.
So they are afraid of electric sparks, which could have caused a fire. Or
Yeah, because in like we're still bad with electricity. You already knew a few times this year I was off. They're repairing stuff, but maybe I'm Amish. God damn it. Unbelievable. Aussie dollar longing, Jesus Christ, Aussie dollar, take it easy, man. Uh, I have to turn off the bot because profit target is off. Really interesting now. Okay. Okay, now I need to bring myself out of this. This swing. Second swing. God damn it, we can dump so hard. Jesus Christ. Don't even want to look how much we can dump actually. That's crazy.
yeah, the Aussie dollar likes to play games with us.
With me especially. We cannot live without playing games with me. At least something is happening, so. Hey, anyway, I'm losing smaller amount because S&P is dumping, so come on, dump. Dump, 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 dump. Dump, 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 dump. And Bitcoin is doing nothing. Imagine yourself, that's 4 days without proper trading. Maybe not 4 days, but at least 3 days, 20 hours. So nothing happened. Nothing. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
I didn't even look on Bitcoin lately.
Didn't lose anything precious there. So need to turn off the ALGO trading itself. This looks like a dump. Okay. Think. Dixie, oh, closing. Just to tell the guys. Closing the gap just now, come on! And gap is closed. Fuck, S&P is not even close of dumping. Jesus Christ. Ooh, Dixie. Nice. Let me show you guys. Don't see that. So this was, look, this was gap. Perfect reaction. Let me do this. Come on.
Right on spot.
Bitcoin is doing nothing. NAS 100 is dumping a bit. Nothing too crazy. S&P nothing. Aussie dollar dump crazy. GBP already added here. Yep. So something like this. Yep. Here, what happened here? GBP in the profits, small profits, small profits, small profits. Where is GBP? Well, nice. Still long GBP on my baby account, but I will leave that run a bit. So nice. What's the dollar? Add here. GBP closed. Aussie dollar can dump. Can dump almost same amount. Ooh, need to be prepared. So that's 0.85. So if you do 3 swings, 1, 2, 3, round, perfect. Okay. Interesting how everything stopped. And dumping more. Jesus Christ. Two, 3, 3, 6, 9. 2, 3, 3, 6, 9. That's my pre-projection, so want to long a bit there. If I can. Something like this. Did you caught something for it?
I'm in profit on GBP, JPY, GBP USD, and USD CAD today.
Nice. So finally some sell signal on the indicator itself. Finally, fucking unbelievable. Oof, closed. Just closed my GBP USD in profit. Nice. On the cTrader. Oof. So only Aussie dollar to manage now. Nice, 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 nice. People's dollar pop made all the US pairs dump. Yep. Hi, Steiny. I'm reading my local language, my mother language, and I don't understand the sentence, so I don't know how to trade in my country. Like I don't know the sentences and phrases, trading phrases. Can you imagine that? I don't understand my own
I
people.
I would also not know really in German how to. It all sounds so weird. Those terms so complicated.
Stein, nice chart in the Discord. I like it. Uh, 40, what's that car's speed limit indicator? What's that in your charts on cTrader?
That's a volatility meter, and you can set it that it gives you an audio alert when there is, for instance, a sudden candle, like a sudden volume spike. You get alerted, and then I look at the number, which is underneath, like those displays on the bottom. Those,
Yeah, I'm looking. Nice.
yeah, because if there's just an alarm, then I'm not sure, oh, which one of the four fired off. And if I'm not in a trade yet and it's near the BV indicator, then I would enter. Basically, that reminds me to manually click if I don't at the moment look at the chart.
Nice. Nice, 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 nice.
That's what I got for free. Like where I use like the voucher I got. There's a lot of such little widgets included, but it all kind of, each widget runs in like a Microsoft Edge browser type of thing. What's nice though, it stays almost always topmost. So those panels with the sell buy button, for example, you could place them on your you could have MetaTrader running and you trade in MetaTrader, and at the same time you click those buttons in your cTrader if you just want to copy trade the same,
Yeah,
same instrument.
nice. Steiny, I agree with you. And look at my projection. Cannot be better than that. That's not levels. It's only projections I did, and I even sold to one company my projections because of this line they figure out what bot they are using, the other firm, so now they can uh, make strategy on that and make good money. So I didn't want to like catch it that perfect, but with little luck, like that's all you need to figure out the sequence of the bot. That's you do that once and you done. Don't need to work anything else. Something bot, Steiny. I figured out the sequence of the bot on the US NAS 100, as you can see. Let me even show you on the trading view just a second. So the moment you figure out the sequence, you're done. That's it for you. Nothing else to do. Because when you have it like this, as you can see, I will show you where I shorted all-time highs and made money. So look, this was all-time high. This was all-time high. This was all-time high. I shorted even this on first try. This was working on 5 minutes, but I didn't want to short because I knew it's an area, because this is on three different time frames telling me the same area, so I didn't work on this. So you can even see now longs working nicely. Perfect. Look at that reaction. And again, you had a reaction here, but well, if it's a news, then it will not be same. But if it's normal price action, it will be perfect. It will not respect when the firm that has algo on this turn off the bot. Then you will get something like that. But other than that, you can see it works really, really great. Cannot go better than this. Look. So, but if they turn off the bot for a few hours, then you get some crazy stuff. What's happening? Dun, dun. Motherfucker! Unbelievable! Going to change my account. Fucking unbelievable. De-risk a bit. Thank. Fuck you. Fucking unbelievable stuff. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. How many times it passed my order and it doesn't want to take me out. Yeah, because we're on the zero fees here, and with zero fees they pull out the spread even after it gets higher than your price. It still want 0.5 feet on everything. Tintin, yeah, we made money. Thanks.
Maybe you should change the MT trader.
Yep,
account.
I already managing that for the next week. It's going to roll account, and same as my cTrader. Maybe that's one of the reasons I made more money on my cTrader.
Yeah, they give you a better deal in a way. You pay your fees, but you have like preferred treatment there that way in the order queue with less spread.
Just got picture from the dude that drives car and had my bot running. You saw yesterday. He made good money today on the Aussie dollar on the bot. GBP made money. Nice. Really glad to see that. Oof. But he doesn't pussy himself out like me, so he's re-adding properly. Nice. On what time frame, Tintin? On 5 minutes, it's even higher. Yep, I'm looking on 21, so I'm pulling my profit target, as you can see, to try to catch 21 on 5 minutes. It would be decent profit. Already made 1.4% today, something like that. So going nice. If it goes down, I don't care. This is the smallest lot. Like I can do that, manage that even my eyes closed. I'm looking at your chart in the screen now. Thanks. So that's 5 minutes, and I'm trying to catch 21 and short on this swing. The reason behind this swing it's not with EMAs. The reason was this was support and this was the swing that made this low. So and this area is the swing that made this high, and it was that resistance for some time, and even here. So I would try to catch short there. With small slot you can wiggle out if you know what you're doing. Yep. So I know it's not fancy, flashy, not trading crazy amounts here, but consistently making money, that's the only important thing in trading, nothing else. Buyback on Euro USD. Oof, what? Steiny, I congrats you on trading Euro USD. For me personally, I do not want to trade this pair. I tried a few times, and when something like this happens, I don't know what to expect. And like my go-to is NAS 100 or NQ, and hopefully when this account goes to 2K, not hopefully, when this account goes to 2K, I will trade even NQ much higher and much stronger, because that is the pair I am the best. I was making on my phone. Simple features can saw my results on real account. I was doing my first 85-0 trade, then I lost one, but I was killing on the NAS 100. I was only trading NAS 100 5-minute pure price action ideas, candlestick, stuff like that, and it was really great. Back then I didn't use this 821 strategy. It was February this year, I remember. So simple features, yeah, he can vouch for it. He was like, that was crazy. I don't know, 300% on that, but it was different style than this. So trading live before people, and this video will stay on YouTube. It's a little bit harder, so I don't risk so much. And again, it's not flashy, and I don't want to still trade on bigger account. I will do same like Brian did. He was evolving. Okay, he started much bigger, but his wallet is much bigger than mine. I don't have 2 millions, so cannot trade like that. But soon after it's bigger, I will not take money out. Even my baby account is growing. It's already to 400 447, so already halfway there. So I will not, on my baby account, I will not take money like till I get enough for Tesla. So let's see how much time I will need. Can I do that in 2 years? If I do it like last year, tiny, I will buy Tesla in June next year from that account. But we will see. And I don't need to trade, so everything I make from trading is just bonus for me. Something clicked. Fucking. I was playing with my pencil and I clicked something on my keyboard. Okay, so I was clicking the minus. Okay, that's fine. Wrecked account. God damn it. Come on, just die, S&P. Jesus Christ. Just die. Die, goddamn. Die, I say. Die, I say. This doesn't look good for Ozzy. Not even close. 15 minutes G. God damn it. No, 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 no. Can go much, much, much lower. Okay. If it goes, it goes. Like this. And like that. And like this. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. What 1 minute says. Nice. $90. Dixie can make one more leg up and then dump. So try longing more. On the GBP, Sasha, please. GBP. GBP, GBP.
I think I need one more screen that I can also have Dixie and some trading view still on the side.
I need. I'm already. I was. Blah. Blah. I was on that birthday yesterday and saw one. They bought a new television, was 65-inch. I need that. And I can fit 8 charts there and just fix everything, and then I can only do one monitor for one account or something like that, so I don't have to go back and forth, back and forth. Would be nice.
Yeah, I still have one, but this is like for once we are set up in the living room, so I cannot just hijack our TV. You know, it's still in moving boxes, but I want to get another of the 43-inch. It depends like how far you sit away from it. So like
Tiny.
60-inch, you can have like a couple meters away from you.
No, I need it closer. Victor, Zil USDT, that's some shitcoin, yeah? Here we go. For the we're going with starting with shitcoins. Crypto shit Binance. Binance shit crypto. Jesus Christ. What's here happening? What's new? For hours. First, my rule is 200, 21, 200, 21, 200. Second, the RSI should go lower. Doesn't have to be like that. But it pumped hard. Ooh, Jesus Christ, how much percentage this is? Fucking unbelievable. What the fuck is this? Zilliga. Jesus Christ. Do you know this shit? 40.
Oh, heard about it. I don't know. I heard the name long time ago.
That's really pumping. So after this swing, it made a lower low. After this swing, it stopped.
You're on a different screen, maybe. They write in chat.
Oh fuck! Thanks. Jesus, I'm looking at myself, and so first of all, I would expect 200 to be hit on 4 hour. Second is it's already pumped 1270%. Fucking crazy.
That silica that was already always promoted by that Superman guy in 2018 I think.
Superman, okay. Then fuck that, but okay.
Then it must be good.
Yeah, it's perfect, man. You didn't know? So here you go. Something like this. Hey, it works even on free projections. Jesus Christ. So the bots are trading this. Look, 40, goddammit. Fucking unbelievable. Look how accurate that is.
Yeah, you should trade it again, huh? And go on Binance.
Shh, I don't want to go to Binance. Oof. I hate Binance. So something like this maybe. What's happened with this? I don't want this. Went to how just a second. If it lose there. Look, man, there's a big problems with this pair. Too many big problems. Good stuff is that 4 hours is already dumping so hard. So sorry. So it can always go lower, but it should have at least relief really after this. But after 1,200% of something, I don't know, because on this pump it didn't test almost anything properly. So like this level wasn't tested. This swing wasn't tested properly. This swing wasn't tested properly. So like too many holes to fill. Doesn't have to be like that, but I don't buy something that went 1,200% on in bear market. Something fishy is there. But 100% to be honest, I don't know anything about this pair. Maybe it's a new technology, maybe it's a new Google, Amazon or something like that, Amazon. But this is a red flag for me. TA is working good, so if you're trading this, it's fine. If you're hodling this and you bought anyway here, you did great, man. You did awesome job, but I don't know. I'm day trader. I am not investor. I have some bitcoins. I have some Ethereum. I should buy some COMP, but I wasn't when it got out like 2 days ago. I don't know why. I'm not going into shitcoins, but I don't know. Don't know what to tell you. Technical analysis work here great. You can trade this, awesome. But for me, it's a big no-no. Ooh. Stein asks something. Charts. Quick banking. 1 week. You don't have to do Stein. You don't have to do fee projection 1 week. I do it 4 hours. It's much easier for me to just scroll out, zoom in, zoom out, and find swings. That's it. But when I see this makes trading too hard, trying to make nuclear physics from that, and I'm trying to make trading simpler, and making money every day don't need to like same as Elliott waves. They work for somebody, but for me to figure out like here, there, it's not for me. I'm trying to make everything simpler. I know to do my projection, then I do small scalps on them. I use EMAs. I use everything people tell you don't use. For me, it's working on my own strategy. Maybe it's not good for others, but for me, it's awesome. Come on, Naz, just lose it. Fucking unbelievable. Victor, I really don't know what to tell you. It's really bad for me to tell you anything because I don't know your risk tolerance. I don't know what was your plan with getting in. I don't know you. I am a day trader. It's a little bit different from me, not to be disrespectful for you, but I cannot give you like answer like that. That's really, really hard. Okay, I'm starting to stop bot on my two accounts. It's enough for this week, so starting with de-risking a bit, or weekend de-risking because too much stuff to manage. It's almost impossible sometimes. So K2 account stopped bots.
Do
Need
you
to
then manually close still open positions or trying to trade them manually?
I will only see the only problematic position for me. It's not problem. Is this one? It already took profit target. My stop loss is in profit.
Don't see it.
Thanks. This one. So bot took long here, and this was my profit target. This swing here. So stop loss is in profit, as you know how my bot's working. But to be honest, I don't know if it gaps down and it skips my stop loss. I can like if it goes 2% down in the Monday, that would be a drawdown. So I don't want that. So now thinking, do I need to close this in profit on almost to the second profit target, or what to do? Like RSI is really high. This was the highest. Maybe I'm going to do one profit target my own and move stop loss to the first profit target on manually because I don't see it pumping much higher. Jesus Christ, gold is 2,500. Oof, that's a lot. Okay, so I moved stop loss and took some profit. My profit target was here, but already moved profit target. If it goes here, we get stopped out. I don't want to be in the long position like this. Is that all-time high again? No, it's not. Okay. That's the problem, Jesus. I see something is off. Fucking unbelievable. Everybody ran from stream. So I started talking about shitcoins and that's it. Just kidding.
Everybody went.
Yep. No, just kidding. There's few guys, but all good. Stein, thanks. I think it's enough for me. It's already 4 hours string, so I will take a break and like it's already time for no volume, if you know what I mean. It will go sideways. You see my positions, but I am almost 100% convinced that this US 500 will stay, even maybe whole next week. So that's a little bit different. I will not close that at all. Same as 821. My target is 2600, 2400 on that. So we will see. But that's my plan. And thank you again, guys, for being here. And wish you all great weekend and great profits. Till next time.
Bye everyone.
Say
Bye
bye.
Sasha.
Bye bye, guys.